What's good? 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 Mr. R said, what's up? What's up? Sinister said, what's up? What's up, guys? What's up? Give me like 2 seconds. Ooh, Sinister said first. He was almost, almost, yeah. Mr. R beat you to it. Man, we got a lot to go over. I am going to, this is what I'm going to do. I am going to, let me put the charts on real quick for you guys. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Put the charts on here for you guys. 1 second, guys. Just gotta attend to some things. I'm coming right now. Let me switch this over so you guys can see what we got going on. So give me a second, guys. All right, just bear with me. Guys, just bear with me. Give me 1 second. I'm coming. I just got to respond to some things very quickly. All right. So sorry, guys. So sorry. All right. Welcome, 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 everybody. It is Tuesday. Okay, lovely Tuesday. If you guys know, Tuesdays is part of my rules. Who knows what my rule is for Tuesday? Let's see. Who knows what my rule is for Tuesday? Who knows? Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Lovely to see you all. Super happy to see you all. It's just one of those. What the heck is going on here? Invite people. Okay. Copy. All right, cool. So it's just one of those mornings where, you know what I mean? I got some things going on. It's been pretty busy. Shosho, why are you trolling? Everybody else got it right. Good morning, Homeless Bill. Good morning, Crazy Araj. Shosho, what's up? What's up? Sinister, what's up? Mr. R, what's good? Yes, on Tuesdays, no trades. All right, guys. So that means I'm here for one reason. You guys. We're going to be doing an analysis on the pairs that you guys want and see if we can find opportunities. It doesn't mean I won't take paper trades. It just means I won't take trades on a live account. All right. Sammy Daniels said morning and good morning from Nigeria. Hey, listen, for all of you guys who are here, good morning to you all. It's not fair if I don't play our good morning song. So to all my foreigners who are here, all my lovely people, good morning to you all.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning. All my foreigners that are here, shout out to you guys, all my lovely pineapples. If you know, you know, it's our inside joke, it's our thing. Today, we're going to find some opportunities in the market, whether the market likes it or not. All right, we are going to do our absolute best to get the best of these markets. So let's get to cooking. If you guys were here yesterday was really fire. A lot of you guys asked me to crop out a certain part of the live so I can post it separately. So I'm working on that right now. But yesterday was really awesome. I'm glad you guys enjoyed it. And for those of you who missed it, go back and watch. It was really good. Titan said absolute best. What's good, Titan? What's good? Ryuzaki. Hey, what's good, Ryuzaki? What's good? Let's take a look at some of these pairs here that we are supposed to be looking at. So I already missed the 930 mark. Okay, let me take a look at something. We can clearly see, clear as day, that there's a nice, you know what I mean, level right here that's been respected properly by US 30, at least on the 1 hour. All right, so let me go down to the 15, see what I could have done to get into this. Tuesdays, my strategy isn't great on Tuesday, so I just leave it alone. But let me go back and see what we could have found. Coulda, woulda, shoulda, right? So 8 there would have got to the charts at 8:30, which leaves me with a couple options. We got my guy right here, which is just forming. We also have it coincidentally lining up with this gap right here, so that's cool. We have another one down here, which has already been mitigated, so I'm not really a fan of that. And it's also close to that. That's not great. And then last but not least, we have this. If price is to go up, it's off of these 3 levels. So I'm not interested in nothing else. So let's see what occurs so you guys can see. Bill said he's in shorts and gold. Okay, I'm going to check gold in just a sec, all right? I want to see what would have happened for me. All right, so it looks like price already. Are we in the second one here? Let me see. Not yet. We're in that zone. Let's see what happens. 842. All right, so this is interesting. That's why I said price is coming to our zone. Okay, this is me being aggressive with the structure, but technically, you see what I'm saying? This is what we got going on. Now, this is not what I like to see. So when it comes to indices, I'm very strict. I would have not taken this trade no matter if it flies to thy kingdom come. So I would have left this alone. All right, let's see what ends up happening. It ends up being something that if you had taken, you would have definitely hit TP. So that's not bad. For the first time ever, it seems like Tuesday is providing an opportunity that might have actually worked. Surprise. All right, so we get all the way up here. 930, let's see what happens. Good old 930. 930 just violates the life out of everything that exists. Comes into this last gap that we're holding right here. Let's see if it'll violate that as well. Strong push to the upside. All right. And this is where we are now. So very interesting. Super duper interesting. All right, so I would have had one opportunity that if it was a different pair I would have taken. In this case here, I'm not going to touch. All right, so that's interesting. Let's go ahead and take a look at gold. Somebody wanted us to look at gold. They said they're in gold shorts. So let's take a look here. All right, gold shorts. Nice. Look at this insane gap. This thing is massive. And guys, by the way, don't just, I know for a lot of people, they're going to see me mark up gaps and be like, oh, okay, cool. He's just using gaps. You guys, there's a lot of things that go into using gaps. Okay. You have to, everybody knows this word. It's called confluence. Okay. You have to have confluence in your trading. You got to look at other factors that go with it. And sometimes if you point to the correct factors, it'll tell you exactly where price is going. All right. So don't just take it at face value. Try and understand what's happening. But for the most part, gold has come into this area, given us a push up, a push down, but no break of structure. What we actually see happening here, it looks like a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Okay, I'm joking. And something like this. This is a bit forceful, but essentially this is what I'm looking at. By the way, guys, if you are ever trying to figure out what structure looks like and you don't really understand how to market, you can always switch to the line graph. It'll give you a decent understanding, right? You could say, okay, well, like for example, like I said, with this is just being forceful. So it's not really the best way, but it does help me understand that price on some level is sloping. Okay, and then we have this place building. So we are expecting price to do what it does. So I'm saying in this move. Right now with this case here, because of the way it's forming, we might get a break to the upside, right? Or we might get a fake out towards the downside. We don't know yet. We got to wait and see what happens. But someone is in gold sells at this level. That's great. I'm personally going to at least wait for price to break here. And there's a couple criteria that I look for. So maybe you guys will see that in real time. Black also, good morning, bro. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning to all my people, guys. Listen, I got to start getting you guys some badges and stuff so that we can, you know what I mean, put some respect on the name of the OGs, the people who were here from the beginning, the people who made it happen. You know what I'm saying? So we will work on that. But first things first, the app, the course, and the bot, okay, and the site, okay, which I'm talking to some people right now to get certain things done. All right. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So that's gold. We have gold. We just did US 30. We have GBP CHF. Just absolutely vomit. Okay, let's go from, all right, you know what? Let's go from NAS. We have NAS up here. This is very interesting from NAS, actually. You can see right here, NAS has a bit of this going for itself. And then right above here, you can see that NAS is struggling to kind of break this zone right here. So this is very interesting. This is very interesting, right? Let me just move this down. There we go. So the question is, are we going to get this and, you know, break towards upside, or are we going to get boom? See what I'm saying? When you follow these traditional patterns, you kind of understand when price is going up this way and then starts consolidating. It's usually to continue up this way. But we are trading indices. Right? No, indices don't respect nobody. Nobody's nothing. So you have to be careful how you judge it and just take it from there. But from what I can see, this is what's happening right now on the 1 hour. So that's a pretty interesting setup. And there's nothing for me to really look at in terms of sells. We do have this gap here. But before I mark this gap, we got to determine market structure. Okay. Price was moving sideways, essentially. Okay. This is sideways movement. Came down, broke up, went up. So we have higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, lower high, lower low. Price is broken structure. We're trying to figure out if we're going to do this. Okay. Or if it's going to go the other way. If we're being aggressive, we can start looking for sells here. If we're being aggressive. Okay. If we're being aggressive, we can start looking for sells here. If not, why is there a marker here and price didn't go off? That's weird. Delete. Yeah. Okay. You can see on the 1 minute what's happening here. Price kind of came into this zone. Didn't really give us what we're looking for per se. I mean, kind of. Could have got in here when price returns to this level, let's say. So I'll put a marker here. This will just be a fake. Guys, it's Tuesday. Don't even look at my analysis on indices. For some reason, Tuesdays, they don't respect my analysis, my strategy at all. For whatever reason. That's why I don't trade on Tuesdays. All right, so this is what we're looking at. Again, this is a bit of a hindsight thing, right? It's not like I got in around here. You see what I'm saying? I'm getting in while price is already moving. It's easy to call. It could still reverse, right? But it's easier to call and be like, yeah, price is definitely going here. All right, so we'll see what happens there. I'm going to leave NAS 100. Let's go down to US. We already did US 30. Let's go down gold. Yeah, we hope gold down goes down for your sake because you're in shorts. Amir said, can you please analyze the entry zone 2, 3 in Euro USD pair specific? Yes, I will take a look at that in a second. Euro USD, Euro AUD, sorry, is on here already. So we're going to get to that in a second. And Bill said, move my trades to break even. Got you. So now you're carefree. Whatever happens, you don't care. All right. So we have price didn't really respect this. I mean, it kind of is because it broke this trend line. And now it's respecting this. So this is a very interesting setup for me personally. I like this, to be quite honest. I will put an alert here. See what happens when it gets here. An alert on, let's just say price. I know I always do that, price. All right, for now, we'll move on to some other ones. So that's US 500. We just did gold. GBP USD, I don't touch. I'll do that later on. I don't like GBP USD. Euro JPY. Look at this. Look at this. Like, what is going on here? But look how well responded to our areas that we marked up. Anyways, I'll come back to that. That's just a little wonky right now. I'll do GBP JPY later on. AUD, JPY also, they're all kind of following the same format. I'll do a better analysis on it. I'm going to move over to Euro AUD for Amir's sake. All right, so Amir has given us some coordinates. He says he's in a trade. Are you short or long? Like, did you buy or sell? Your entry was at 62700. All right, let's see. All right, cool. All right, I'm guessing you sold. Let me know. All right, let me know if you sold. We'll keep this open. In the meantime, while you're still answering these questions, let's go back to some of the pairs that we didn't touch yet. All right, so AUD, GBP, USD. Okay, we can see a couple things here on the 15. Slick Rick say, hey y'all, hey foreign money, I'm late today, what did I miss? We're just analyzing. Was good, Slick Rick, was good. We're just analyzing right now, so you didn't miss too much. I'm just starting to do some breakdowns and some analysis on every pair we've got in our repertoire right now. All right, so you can see price was moving sideways here. Price then kind of broke out of this consolidation, went down, okay? And then ended up giving us this structure here. So as of right now, we've got what we call bullish structure. So we're expecting at this point to get a higher low and then a higher high, which means right now is actually a great time to probably test out this gap right here. All right, let's see if this gap is going to give us a great a good setup. Okay, we have this gap right here, and then we have this other super tiny one right here. And you guys know, if you've been watching me for a while, I tell you all the time, the reason why I always mark up every gap is because you won't know which one price is determining to take unless, right, it shows you. So right now we got to wait for price to show us and just be patient. So let's see what happens. I'm going to keep an eye out on here. Professor said, good morning, pineapples. Yeah, you missed our song, bro, but we'll play it again. And Amir Khan said, sell, bro. Okay, got you. I will look into it in just a moment, all right? Let's just zoom down here very quickly. All right, perfect, you guys. So this is excellent. This is what we're going to hope for, because price is giving us, after giving us higher lows and higher highs, now we have a lower high and a lower low, okay? Like, we'll do it like this just to make it easier. Lower lows and lower highs. So we want price to give us our setup. All right, so let's see what occurs here. I will keep this open here. In the meantime, oh boy, whoever was in gold, you said you move your stops to break even, so hopefully you're out the trade because gold is just going the other way. To be quite honest with you, here's what I'll do. We're in a strong uptrend recently, and price is moving with some momentum. I'm going to do this. Let me see. Is that a lot? Yeah, okay. We'll just get in here. It's whatever. I just want to show you guys something. All right. We will keep today, because I can't take an actual trade. I'm going to do as many paper trades as I can to show you guys how some of these setups play out. Now, this is what you call a late entry. So in real life, I would have never entered this late. I'd have been watching the chart to get in. But we're just looking at current analysis. We are expecting price to kind of go down in this area. But based on this pattern here, we want to see if this, because sometimes price will like fake out of the pattern. But since it came down here, kind of like swept this area and is going up, we're anticipating that maybe it might actually push towards the upside. If we lose 5K. Wait, oh yeah, because of here. And if we win 6K. All right, risk reward is skewed because of the entry. But if we were following this, it would be 10K. All right, okay, cool. So we have that. Let me start pushing towards Euro AUD real quick, just for things sake. Let's go back. So he's in a sell. So let me do this. Entry level. We'll copy that. We'll get rid of you. We'll put on a sell. And then we will do that. Perfect. Okay, so you're in a sell. Don't know where your stop loss is at. Don't know where your TP is at. But this is where you are right now. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So you obviously want to know what's the best course of action. So here's the thing. All right. This is what I want to kind of bring to your attention here. Where is the level? It's right here. Let me increase the opacity real quick so you can see kind of what we're dealing with. All right, so we've marked up this area because this area seems to be a strong zone. All right, you are selling close to this area. So what does that mean? It means that even if you are right overall, based on this area, we might still get a retracement before your move actually happens. And what we've seen right here is that price has come down, giving us lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, right? You can kind of call this whatever you want, but essentially it's a lower low. And the price gave us a higher high. So we're expecting at some point, maybe somewhere in here, price to do this. This is what I'm expecting. Now, I could be totally wrong. Price could continue. You might be right. And it might completely tank, you know what I mean? Or go down some more before it goes up. But I'm just letting you know that there's a slight chance at the very least that price may reverse off of somewhere. We do have this gap right here, which also happens to line up with an inverse gap right there. And so anything is possible. Okay, we're going to have to wait and see how price responds in this area. If price starts pushing up heavily, then you kind of already know what it is. All right, so we can see here. Do we get taken out on gold? We might have. Okay, I'll go and check that in a second. So we can see here, GBP USD, guess what it's doing? All right, so after giving us this lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, we might be getting some push towards the upside. Depending on how it works out, we might be able to take a paper trade on here. So let me go over to US 30. Let me start going to some of the other ones here. Homeless Bill said, yeah, I hit break even. At least you put it to break even, right? So you didn't lose anything. You're good. TSV said we have news in a few minutes. Yes, we do. Wait, hold on. I forgot to put on my we have news in 2 minutes as well. So this is going to be super interesting. This is going to be super interesting. We're going to see what happens in the next 2 minutes to these pairs that we're looking at. All right. Put in your predictions, ladies and gentlemen. So here, for whoever's in, what's it called? Sells here for your AUD. Oh my God, you're looking good. You coming back, right? Yeah. Okay, when are you going to be back?
Give me like 20 minutes.
Okay, see you. You going to bring me breakfast?
I can.
Okay, thank you. Love you too, baby. Bye. All right, so you guys, at news, price will either go the opposite way or it'll take you. I don't know where your TP is, Amir. Hopefully your TP is somewhere close by. I don't know where your stop loss is, but if your TP and stop loss is close, news might do it for you. You see what I'm saying? And then for, oh my gosh, we have a lot to look at. Okay, SPX 500. Let me take a look. Oh, it's this. It's this exact one. So price is in this spot. We'll take a look. Take a look. Take a look. Take a look. All right. As you can see, price is starting to push towards the upside. This is news, guys. This is news. So I wouldn't get in. But look at this break. You see that? You see that? Right at this zone. So if this was not a news release, right? I'm going to wait for this to close. I'll show you guys exactly how it enter. I'm going to wait for this to close. Oh, I forgot. It's US news, not Euro or AUD news. So that's not going to affect this. My apologies. But GBP USD, as you can see, is going up. I'm going to see how this closes, and then I'll let you guys know what I will do. And then SPX 500 just completely floored it. Give it some time. It might come back. I have a sell limit on gold 2637. Got you. What's good, y'all? What's good, Maximus? Look at this nonsense. Look at this nonsense. So what do we have? Price is coming back into here. You guys, don't let these index pairs fool you. It could do all of this just to go back up. We got to wait and let it see what happens in the next 15 minutes. All right. Okay, so this candle closed. I don't like the way it closed. I don't like the way it closed. Okay, this is not a candle. This type of rejection here is not something I want to see. Okay, but if I were to get in and the conditions were right, my entry would probably be right here, just to be on the safe side. And then I would push here. So ignore this even if it hits TP. This is not correct because price, I mean, it did come back to this level, but you get what I mean. All right, so we'll see. I will do this. I will set a pending order. Okay. What's going on with the paper trade? It's not working. All right, we'll leave that alone. All right, so you want to see price kind of break this. You see what I'm saying? But there's a way that it breaks for me that gives me confidence. The way that candle went, I am not a fan. All right. And then also, if this was also indices, to be quite honest with you guys, I'm in over here. This is, if you guys have been seeing me, oh gosh. If you guys, let me just move this real quick. If you guys have been seeing me trade recently, you'll see that like a lot of my entries are like this. Because I'm using certain factors that I told you guys I might release the strategy. if it starts to really be like profitable like that, I might release the strategy to show you guys how I'm getting more accurate entries. All right, so we'll see what occurs here. We're only going to lose 69 cents. Guys, we are big traders, bro. Let's add a couple. Still nothing, bro. Let's add an extra 0. One more, maybe. Let's see what happens. A bit much. I don't lose that much on things. So let's do. Yeah, that's much better. All right, guys. So if price comes back to that level, this is what we are looking for. All right, so we'll see what happens there. Euro AUD is still doing its thing. Gold is still doing its thing. SPX 500 now. SPX 500 is close to gold. So let me just go take a quick look at gold. We were in a trade, right? Were we not in a trade already? What happened to our trade? Guys, what happened to our trade? Were we not in a trade on gold? Okay, there you go. Let me go back and see if we can find it. There we go. All right, so gold is retracing. Like I tell you guys all the time, don't take these. These are all just like hypothetical, quick analysis, just hop into trade. If you guys notice, when I'm taking a trade like yesterday, I do a deep analysis and look for certain things before I go in. I'm very patient. This is just me kind of like scalping and just, you know what I mean? Just throwing things out there in the air. This doesn't affect me because as you guys can see, mans are rich on this account, bro. Started with 100K and now we're up to 3.5, almost 3.6 mil. Okay, I grew the account that much. And I showed you guys my trades last time. So, and it's a paper account, guys. It's not a real account. Gold has triggered me in at 26. Oh gosh, I forgot about you, bro. I'm so sorry. 26. And you were in a sell, right? I think so. Let's put this up here. He said he's in at 26.37. Okay. Don't know where your stop loss is, but you've been triggered into the trade. Okay, cool. So you're taking a trade against us. You might be right, but you might also be wrong. I don't know where your stop loss is. Don't know where your TP's at. Let me know. I mean, to be fair, we have marked up a zone where price is supposed to kind of go down from there. You see what I'm saying? But we're being a little risky only because the structure we're seeing is enough for a, like, so here's what happened. Look at this. Right? High, high, low, high, and then lower low. Okay? Price essentially came and did this again. This was our last area of structure. Made its way all the way back up here. Didn't break this level. So that's usually not a good sign. You want price to break this level, like down here, so you can get into something like that. When price is not doing that, and it does something like this, you might actually be getting this. Okay, so that's the thing. We're being a little risky here by trying to sell at this area. And because it's gold, I would be mad careful, right? But anything's possible. Yesterday, we took a mock trade. Was it on here yesterday? Yeah, look. And it ended up hitting TP. So you just never know. Gold, I'm learning to trade slowly. So see what happens. Euro, AUD, GBP, USD. So GBP, USD is completely flying. I'm going to just close this limit here because it makes no sense. But you see what I'm saying? Came to our level, gave us what we were looking for, and it ended up going to TP. All right. Ended up going to TP. So let's go take a look at something else. We'll come back to Euro AUD. We didn't get to do some of the other ones. We didn't get to do Euro JPY. All right, so Euro JPY is in a bit of a weird situation here. You can see kind of like a cross here. Price is respecting this level for whatever reason. Okay, so we have a strong zone right there that price is respecting. And then what did price do? We went all the way up. I mean, you can kind of call this a thing. All the way up, right? You get this weird sideways movement always. And then eventually you get back to structure, okay? So after we got to this height, we basically came all the way back down here. Came up a little bit, came down, went all the way back up here, came down, okay? Moving sideways again, right? And then boom. Eventually we make our way all the way up here. And this is what we look for every time. Price gave us this. We didn't take it. And now we are somewhere here. Let me just move over. Perfect. Okay, so this is forming how it should. When price gives you this reversal pattern and it starts to push into this area, it's usually looking for something within this area to take down. Okay, in this case here, the reason why I would have never entered any trades here, maybe here is because right here, there's a gap. Okay, so with that being said, I could maybe look into this area and why did I make that so wide? I can maybe look into this area and then start looking for, you know what I mean, my pattern to go towards the downside, which in this case, once we broke down here, we were Gucci. Okay, once we broke below here, we were solid. All right, 1 to 2, and we would have just made it. You see what I'm saying? That's how I would have taken this. That's how I would have taken that. But, you know, some things to consider. So as of right now, what can we do? Price is pushing towards the downside. It hasn't closed yet. It has 6 minutes, before we close. But it looks like it might start giving us a bearish, you know what I mean, momentum towards the downside. If it does, then we're essentially, this is what we're waiting for. We're waiting for price to break. Sorry, guys. We're waiting for price to break this level. Okay. So once price breaks this level like this, we're waiting for another area to take a retracement towards the downside, at least to this level. Okay, that's essentially all that we're waiting for there. So we'll see what happens with that. Let's go down to GBP CHF. Now, GBP CHF is actually in an interesting position right now because look at this. Price literally at this area has been a problem. Okay, has been a problem. Respecting it, up, down, up, down. And now we are getting price coming up to this level, forming what people call a double top and pushing towards the downside. If price does break here, this level, okay, we might consider getting some sells. The reason why I'm not a fan of these setups is this. I like price to break, like if you're coming back up here and you're going to go down, at least give me a nice break above before you come back down. When I see it gives me a double bottom, double top, it's not really too convincing for me. So it really depends on, you know what I mean, who you are. Okay, so Slick Rick gave us the TPs and stuff. Gold has triggered me in at 2367. All right, so TP, give me 1 second. All right, so Slick Rick said TP at 2630. Nice. Wait. Oh, so profit level is correct in this one. It seems like 2630 basically is where your TP's at. So your stop loss is, wait. TP 263, 265, 2630, 2625. So you have 2 TPs. Okay, and stop loss is 2641. So let's go to stop loss. Oops. All right, that's the stop loss. So you have 2 TPs. You have one at 2630 and 2625. All right, cool. That's better. All right, so we will see how this plays out for you. Hopefully, you don't get, you know what I mean? They don't hit your TP. So here's the thing. Price is going upwards, but look how price is moving. You see this type of slowish creep towards the upside? That's not a very great sign. You want price to move with some momentum, like some volume pushing towards the upside. So there's a good chance it may reverse before your stop loss and go to hit your TP. We will see what happens. We will see what happens. To make a clear explanation, brother. Also, I meant that there was a sell entry and which happened at 2:40 p.m. I just want to know the confluence for it. Please consider the time I wrote here. Okay, I'm gonna look at it for you again. And that was what, Euro AUD? Let me know, American, if it was Euro AUD again. I'm sure that's what it was. Fauci said gold loves to suck souls. Bro, gold is a widow maker, bro. Welcome, Fauci. Welcome, welcome. Hey, DJ Mustang, the original bad boy. What's good? What's good? He said, hello, fam. What's good, DJ? What's good, DJ? So, yeah, gold is pushing up. GBP USD just hit TP. So, that's nice. Okay. As you guys can see, my setups are very simple. For this, I didn't like the way it's set up, but it still ended up hitting TP. I personally wouldn't have taken it, but at least you guys can kind of see how this thing plays up. We marked up our interest in front of you guys, took the entry. Not very hard. I see a lot of you guys commenting saying I make it look so easy. It is easy. In my opinion, I think it's very, okay, maybe not easy, but simple. How about that? Is it simple at least? Professor said, hey, bro, I was meant to ask you, what's the quickest way of calculating the correct lot size on Match Trader based on a specific amount that you're willing to lose per trade? So that's a great question. Here's how on MetaTrader, I have... Pauchi said, congratulations. Okay, here, since we didn't have an actual trade in and it just kind of hit TP as a, you know what I mean, as a paper, not even just a paper trade, like just as a rep trade, we'll leave it alone. But if gold hits TP, we'll play our congratulations song. How about that? All right, so on to get back to Professor's song, see what you're doing, Fauci? To get back to Professor's question, matched on MetaTrader, I have a position size calculator, so I just use the buttons. It tells me what my lot size, like it calculates everything for me. On Match Trader, let's see what we can find here. Let's see what we can find. You guys remember yesterday? This was our setup, and we didn't end up taking on oil, and it tanked all the way down here. So let me show you what I could do on oil. Okay, let me move my stop loss here. Let's just assume, okay, that we're gonna be getting into something like that. Okay, so the way I calculate it is this. You see the lot size? If I change the lot size to 4, it tells me I'm risking 0.28% of my account if I enter at this position and my stop loss is there. So for me, the quickest way for me to calculate lot size, which you guys have seen me do, you know, in real time, is I just literally play with the numbers. You can use a lot size calculator online. You can go online and, you know, type in position size calculator, whatever. It'll ask you, what's the entry price? It's too long. For me, I just use this and I just play around with the numbers. So for example, if I want to risk 1%, let's try 10 lots and let's see what happens. So 10 lots at this area is still not 1%. Let's try 14 lots. Okay, 14 lots is almost, so I would start doing this. There you go. Now you guys see how much margin I'm using? You remember when my wife took the trade live, it was telling us that we were full margin, and I couldn't understand why a 1% trade would be full margin. It's because the leverage for this prop firm is 1:30. Terrible leverage. So that's why I'm using 83% of my margin on this scalp. Okay, to be fair, this would be a nice 1-4. So anyways, you get my point. Okay, so I'm saying all this to say that that's how I use the thing here. And if I was not in a pending order and it was like a market order, then essentially based on how you can see as price is moving, so does the amount you're risking and stuff like that. So I would say, okay, if I want to get in here, let's say maybe move my stop losses to here instead. I want to risk 1%. You can see it's moving to 130, back to 124. That's too much for me. Let me maybe go down to 11 lots. Perfect. 11 lots is exactly 1%. I want to risk 1 to make 2, so I would move this down like that. That's it. And I'd be risking 1% to make 2%. Okay? So that's what I would use. All right? It's just what I recommend. Match Trader is not my thing, so take this with a grain of salt. All right, gold is playing with hearts again, doing what it does best. GBP CHF is falling through the roof. GBP USD hit TP. Fauci said, don't kill me. Phil Hoffer said, morning, pineapples. What's good? What's good? For those of you who are new and just got here, good morning, all my foreigners, and good morning to all you pineapples out there.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, my lovely people. It is a great day to be a trader. We are going to do the best that we can to take trades. Don't take what I'm marking up and taking as a trade as a signal. Okay, guys, do your research. I'm a noob. Consider me a noob. I'm just showing you guys how I would do things in real time, okay? This gold trade is kind of playing out. It may come back down because of the zone that we're in. You can see how strong this candle is. It reminds me of one time I used to live in this apartment and there was this African guy. He was terrified of dogs. So one time we were in the elevator and it was me, my wife, this lady and her big German Shepherd dog, right? And the African guy, when the door opened, he had this stare on his face like he saw a ghost. He looked at me, he looked at the dog, he looked at the lady, and then he just barrel rolled into the elevator and like was Spider-Man on the wall. And then he was like, you know, very strong dog, right? So This is a very strong candle. It's a very strong candle. So we will see what happens. Gold is a widowmaker, so we'll see what goes on. Phil, we got to congratulate Phil. Phil said my EA just closed a nice 3-1 on USD JPY. Guys, we are going to congratulate Phil for hitting TP. All right, he's developing an EA that he said, Phil, correct me if I'm wrong, I think he said it was based on some parts of my strategy or something like that, or he was asking for help with the strategy. Long story short, he's been able to code a strategy with an EA, and it seems to be working. He just hit a 1 to 3 trade. So guys, guess what we got to do? We have to congratulate Phil. So Phil, congratulations, my boy. We're going to play you the congratulations song. Oh, I'm sorry.
Congratulations.
All right, guys, put some W's, fire emojis in the chat. Let's celebrate Phil. Let's celebrate him, Phil. Congratulations. W's in the chat, fire emojis. Congratulations, Phil, on hitting TP. Wonderful, wonderful job.
I am happy for you. Like play, you have come this far. Nothing can stop you from going higher. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Clap it up for Phil. Congratulations, brother, on hitting TP. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Oh my God.
We're extremely happy for you,
We
brother.
are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
Awesome, awesome, awesome stuff, bro. We're extremely happy for you, Phil. Phil, congratulations. Great job. Great, great, great job. Great job. All right. So I got to get back to the chat now. Slick Rick gave us his entries. I think it was for Euro AUD. Let me go back and check, bro. I'm sure it was Euro AUD. He was the one that was in the Euro AUD trade. Okay, perfect. All right. So no. Slick Rick was in gold. I'm sorry. Slick Rick is in gold. Slick Rick, didn't you give us your T parity? Famous Chronicle said, what happened with SPX? Dropped with no news. No, there was news literally about 19 minutes ago. That's why SPX 500 is doing that. I'll go back to that in a second. Slick Rickson, congratulations. Fauci is laughing. Phil said, thank you, buddy. You're welcome, Phil. You deserve it. Homeless said, 100. Everybody put W's, fire emojis in the chat. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Everybody's congratulations. He said, yeah, it's based on your strategy. So I really want to see, Phil, how this plays out. When everything's done and you're done testing it, I don't need the bot. That's your work. I'm not trying to steal your work, but I really just want to see. If you could even show me a video of it executing, that would be fire. Really, really dope. All right. Phil said, thank you. Thank you. Fauci's crying. Fauci said, I can't define the word extremely. That is hilarious. That is absolutely hilarious. Amir, you asked me to do something, but I got lost in the sauce, brother. What is it that you asked? Clear explanation. Okay, there it is. Also meant that there was a sell entry on 62,700. Let's take a look at this. So, okay, 62,700. You said at 20:40 p.m. That's your time. Would that be, what was that, our time? 9:40 our time, maybe? Right? 9:40 was just around right here. I don't know. That's weird. Or was it 8:40 your time? Maybe that would make more sense because 8:40. Still, I don't know. Amir, help me understand a little bit. I just want to know the confluence for it. Please consider the time I wrote here. Okay, so he wants to know the confluence. Okay, so again, for me, like I was saying, there's a good chance we might go up because of what I explained, right? We have this strong level here that we marked up on the weekly. Okay, look, we also had this that we marked up because we were anticipating that because price is doing this on the weekly, eventually, right, we were going to get a break towards the upside. We've done that. It's come to retest this level. It's come up. It's come back down. Now, this is not a great sign. This could mean we are going down, or it could be a slow retracement and then eventually go back up, right? We don't really know what it's doing yet. This is on the weekly. We have to take it with a grain of salt. On the weekly, there is a bullish fair value gap there. We also have this area. So in my opinion, there's a lot of things that are pointing that even if you are correct, okay, about going down, you might face a bit of challenges where you are because of all the things and all the different factors that are present at the area of your entry. So to me, when I go down to the 1 hour and stuff and I see we're in this zone, then I also see that on the 1 hour, we got this pattern. This is what I'm expecting. Okay, when you go down to the 15, you can see there's a strong, like a big gap right there, and price is pushing. So what you have to pray for if you're in sales is that price doesn't break, you know what I mean, this level right here and maybe this level right here. If price starts breaking those levels and sustains strong volume, you are most likely going to get taken out of your trade. All right, that's just my humble opinion. I hope that makes sense, Amir. I'm sorry if it doesn't make sense, but if you need more clarification, please feel free to ask. All right, brother. Phil said I have placed the setups in the Discord. Got you. I'm gonna, you know what? Let me check it right now. I always say I'm gonna check it, then I forget. Then I forget. So let's take a look. I'm sure Phil, it was in trading ideas. NT Sacco putting up some charts. NT, you're not in here probably, but if you do watch this live, shout out to you. Proper setups. Let me just show you guys what I'm looking at. All right, guys. Let me just show y'all. All right, shout out Shosho. Shosho's been real active, doing really well. Maximus going crazy. NT Sacco showing his setups, right? Everybody chopping it up in there, pretty good. Excellent trade, by the way. Look at that setup. That is beautiful. And then look, you know what I love about the people in our Discord as well? They show proof like, yo, I took this trade and look at the results. It's amazing. Amazing. All right. Here, gold entry, anyone? Maximus, NT Sacco again. Maximus, NT Sacco. Bro, NT Sacco and Maximus be going crazy in there. Verd is in there too. NT again. Okay, so it's probably not in trading ideas. Maybe it's in general. All right, let's see. Oh, boy. Phil. Oh, okay. There you go. Oh, this is fire, bro. This is fire. This is fire. I'll save the image after. Bro, look at this. Phil, this is fire. This is absolutely fire. Look at this. POI triggered. Then change of character order play. Phil, this is absolutely fire. This is absolutely fire. This is fire, guys. Absolutely fire. Phil, great job. Great job. You said the previous one? Oh my gosh, Phil. You are active, brother. There's one before that. Oh. Oh, wow. Wow. You guys, look at the entry. Look how sniper that was, bro. Sheesh. Sheesh. And so, Phil, you've been able to code, just a quick question. You've been able to code the EA so that it moves, it stops to break even automatically, or you moved it to break even? All right, because this is absolutely fire. I'm going to get, Phil, I'm going to come back to you in a second. I just don't want to miss too many comments because it happens all the time. Yeah, based on your strategy. Thank you. Thank you. I can find the words really. I've placed the setups in the Discord. Okay, I'm checking. Really didn't see anything on FX. What was the news? I'll show you the news in a second. Famous Chronicles. In fact, let me just do it real quick before I forget there as well. The news was this. It's right here. CB Consumer Confidence. Okay, that was the news event that took place that caused the trade to move the way that it was moving. All right, so let me get back to this. Famous Chronicles. DJ said, those drops, man. Extremely happy we are. Absolutely. Famous Chronicles said, my FX book. Pineapples, good morning. Good morning, Verd. Good morning, good morning. Thank you. Phil said, yo. Dean's in the building. Black House at fire. That's what's up. Sorry, put it in general. No worries, you're good. Indices are tanking today. Yes, they are absolutely falling to the floor. Previous one, the one still running. Look at the one before. See my analysis on gold. Okay, I'm going to check gold. Use 3-minute time frames. Oh, use 3 time frames. Yeah, it moves after a few hours. Move stop loss to break even after a few hours. Oh, okay. That's pretty solid, bro. That's a pretty solid indicator, man. That is absolutely fire. All right, absolutely fire. You and I will have a more in-depth conversation because I think that is just, I think the way you quoted that EA is beautiful. I love the look. I love everything about it. That is absolutely fire. Great job. All right, so I'm gonna take a look back at some of you guys' setups, and I'm gonna do some analysis for you guys as well. What's it called? Black Owl said, look at my analysis on gold. Okay, so I guess Black Owl is also in Discord. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Are you in? I mean, I'll find it, but Black Owl. Nah, I think Black Owl's in trading ideas. So let's see. Anti-Sacco going nuts as always. Black Owl, where you at? Okay, there's Black Owl, but he's just commenting. Okay, there's a... Is this your setup, Black Owl? Is this it? I mean, it's on gold. I'm assuming this is it. Chronicle said, okay, thanks. Yeah, you're welcome, brother. Anytime. That's drawing on TradingView, which represents how the code works on... Got you. It's still beautiful to see, brother. Great job. Trust me. Nothing taken away from what you've done. Excellent job. Trust me. What's it called? So this is your setup on gold on the 15. Okay, this was... When did you post this? This was done yesterday at 12:26. Okay, so let's take a look. Might as well do it, right? Let's go to the 15. In fact, let me do it on a different pair, like on a different chart, just so it's a bit easier. All right, cool. So there we go. 12:15 my time would be right about. Okay, so all right. Let me make sure this matches up. Let me move this over here so I can cross-reference. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, it looks like you had a level right here that you said was sell side liquidity from what I'm seeing. So we'll just put the liquidity thing right here for you. And then, and candles coming up. This doesn't make sense to me. Buy side liquidity at the top, that makes sense to me, no problem. But why does it seem like we're so far out from the trade? This is very interesting. And then you had, is this on the 15-minute chart? Oh, I'm sorry. The time that you probably posted this is different from the time that this was being entered at. I see. So it looks like this is what it looks like. It looks like you were getting in around here. It looks like this is what you had posted, right? Because we have this up candle, then the down, then the 1, 2, and then 3. So price was doing this at the time. So it's that candle right there. So price was moving there. Okay, perfect. So this is what you had. And you were anticipating, okay, so this is what he was looking at, guys. He was anticipating that price would come down into this area and go up. And it looks like, Black Owl, that might be exactly what happened. Let's see. Took a while, okay, but came into that level, and voila. Excellent setup, guys. So here's the interesting thing. I can see exactly why Black Owl chose this setup and why he entered where he entered. But the interesting thing is that he looks at things way differently than I do. And this is the beauty of trading, guys. I tell you guys all the time, understand how you recognize patterns and what you look for, like what makes sense to you. It'll all work. Me and Marcus sometimes look at charts. In fact, I had a friend that was looking at charts with the other day. No, well, not the other day, like months ago. And long story short, he would be like, we would both know price is going up or we'd both know price is going down. But the reasons why we're entering trades, completely different. Completely different. He's waiting for a double bottom. I'm waiting for a break of structure. Something like completely different. All right. So guys, huge congratulations to Black Owl, because Black Owl, from what I understand, he was also new. You guys, you know what I love about our Discord? And everybody who's new, a lot of you guys hit me up, sending me screenshots of how your trade has improved, thanking me for the lives because you've learned a lot. What I love about the traders and the members of our Discord is how well they're improving. I think Black Owl is fairly new. And look at this setup, just beautiful. He had his reasons for getting in here, and it came to the T. Don't know where his stop loss was, but price came to the T. Don't know what he was looking for to get into his trade. Maybe he entered here, put a stop loss here. Maybe it was right here. Maybe he waited for price to break this level. Only God knows. But either way, this is where it seems like he was aiming for. So maybe it was someone down here. Either way, beautiful analysis, beautiful setup. Great job. Great job, Black Owl. Great job. All right. Great job, brother. All right, bro. Listen, whoever's in the gold cell, we are praying for you. Okay. Right now, it seems like, where am I at? Trend line. There you go. Right now, it seems like this is your last line of defense. Price is starting to act weird here. Hopefully, it stays. If it doesn't, I don't mind losing fake money for a supposed trade. But if you're on a live trade, I pray for your sake it works out. All right, cool. Let's get back to this. Okay, so that's drawing. Okay, Amir Khan said, brother, thank you. I got you now, and you are really humble. God bless you for this. Please say amen. Amen, Amir. Thank you so much, brother. I really appreciate that, man. You guys are some lovely people. Yesterday, after yesterday's live, I got the most heartwarming DMs on Discord and Instagram from you guys. You guys are the best human beings on earth, and I pray God blesses you guys and gives you all your heart desires because you guys deserve it. You guys are amazing human beings. Famous Chronicle said, what do you use to check news? My FX book did not show me it. Bro, I have this indicator right here. You know what? Everybody's been asking me to do this video, so I'm going to do the video. But I have this indicator here by, right there, there's the name, 2 degrees. As in too much food or too nice or too loud, that type of 2, T-O-O. 2 and then degrees, okay? If you find their indicator, they will help you. All right? 2 degrees. And it comes up here as PO3 degrees. Okay? I usually keep it off just because I need my charts to be clean. Sam Jen said, who's killing traders in your Discord? Are you asking like who the top traders in my Discord are? Because we have a lot. We have Abdul FX in there. We have K-Dot, another monster. We have Maximus was up 33K on a 100K account. Absolute beast. Okay, we have a lot. Like I can name like a good amount if that's what you're asking. But I would encourage you, go to the Discord and check. Go to the Discord and check. The Discord is pinned at the top, guys. Hey, if you guys were on yesterday's stream, you guys saw that we did the I had you guys like spam the chat and stuff like that, and I uploaded on my IG stories. So if you were in the chat yesterday or on the live yesterday, you should be on my IG stories because we went crazy. My wife was watching. She's like, man, your people are so awesome. So shout out to all of you guys who were spamming the chat with the fire emojis and the W's when I asked you guys to, because it was a very good clip. Black Owl said, yes, bro. I think he's saying yes, bro, as in he's new, maybe? As if you are, even if you're like an advanced trader, great job. Either way, it's a great job. Phil Hoffer said, I think what it will prove is that if you can follow your rules in a disciplined manner, it will produce strong results. Phil, absolutely. That's why I was talking to Marcus about this. He's like, bro, how are you so systematic? Because I can't trade like that. I'm like, bro, the way I got results is by following my rules to the T. You guys saw that GBP USD trade that I did not take because it did not match my criteria. It still went up. But if I start saying, oh man, next time let me just get in, the next one will lose. And then it'll mess with my confidence. It'll mess with my strategy. It'll mess with my win percentage and my risk to reward. I don't do that. I follow my strategy as best as I can so I can get the best results. All right, guys. So Phil, excellent. Slick Rick said fire. Absolutely. From backtesting across lots of pairs, I think it will produce 46% win rate, a profit factor of 1.8, and a drawdown of 2.9. 46% win rate. But what's your risk to reward? Maybe your risk to reward is higher. Because I'm telling you right now, 46% win rate did not get me here. Did not. And if you're finding that out, Phil, remove Tuesdays and watch what happens. If your win rate is 46%, remove Tuesdays and tell me what happens. If you already have removed Tuesdays, then that's fine. The average LR correlation is very nice, 0.93. I don't know what that means, okay? I'm sure if you give me the terms, I'll understand it, but I don't know what you're saying there. But that number, it's not, if I'm computing correctly, average. Okay, anyways, K-Dot said, a little late, was locking in, looking for trades. Good for you. Good for you, K-Dot. That's what's up, all right? That is what's up. Let's see here. Phil Hoffer said that's cold. Sorry, K-Dot said that's cold. Yeah, absolutely fire. Black Owl said, thank you, bro. You're absolutely welcome, Black Owl. Absolutely awesome. Shosho said, Euro USD sell area. I'll check Euro USD for you right now. Dean said fire. Famous Constance said awesome. Keda says Shosho, I copied EU buy close to 9:30. Are you scalping? Okay, so he's talking to Shosho. Let's go take a look at Euro USD real quick before we come back to Euro AUD. Euro USD. So what are they looking for? He said Euro USD sell area. Okay, cool. Euro USD. Hey, baby, thank you.
This is yours. No.
Oh, both?
No, the French.
Mate. Guys, say what up to Mrs. Four and everybody. You guys, she was on the last stream.
Hello. Hi, everybody.
Thank you so much. Thank you. She's not going to be able to feed me today because she's got to go back to work. So I'm going to have to feed myself today. But she was on the last stream. We took a live trade with her. You guys are wicked. You guys told her to trade gold when she's new. Y'all are, so I thought you guys had my back. Okay.
Did you win back the money?
Mm-hmm.
Did you win back the money that I lost?
Almost.
Okay.
Almost won all of it. So then I'm going to get you a bag. What bag you want? So that these people can hold me accountable.
I need Chanel.
Chanel? That's it?
Yeah.
All right, guys. When we start making money on the account, she wants a Chanel bag. So we'll give her a Chanel bag. All right. Babe, they're saying hi to you, by the way.
Hello.
Can I get some juice or water at least?
You want something?
Nah, the water. Water's fine, actually. Because this, yeah. Thanks, love.
Morning pineapples.
She said morning pineapples. Thanks, babe. Mate. Let's see here. You scalping. Dean said hi, hi, hi. Fam, I like your stories. We need more like yesterday. I got you. I'll give you guys more stories, okay? He said that it's like he said that it's like it's cheap. Bro, Chanel, you guys, okay, I really don't want to come off because I'm not rich. But Chanel's not expensive, in my opinion. Louis, fine. Gucci, fine. Chanel, Michael Kors, all of them. What is it? Coach, 400, 300. You know what I mean? Depends on the bag. But anyways, so she wants a Chanel bag. You guys, one day I'll show you guys her closet. She has way more bags than that. But anyways, all right, getting back to that brother's starving, yo. Bro, you have no idea, bro. I be starving for you guys, so don't get at me. I'm trying my best to stay here without eating. But yeah, Fauci, I'm gonna give you guys more stories, I promise. Blackout said hi, duty. Blackout, can you explain yourself, please? High duty? What's high duty?
What did he say?
What's high duty? Thank you so much, babe. Appreciate you. All right. Hi, Mrs. Foreign. Fauci said pineapples. Mr. R and Fauci are laughing. All right, guys, let me get back to trading. All right, but I'll give you guys stories. It'll come along as we are teaching, trading, helping one another. It's going to get good. All right, guys. So, what's his name? Whoever was in this gold trade, again, it's wicking below it and pushing down, so that's a good sign. I pray for your sake it doesn't break this, because if it breaks this, you're as good as cooked. As good as cooked. All right, so somebody asked me to look at Euro USD. We have a trade going on right now in gold. This is the subscriber or the foreign money members trade, and this is our trade. Okay, this is the trade that we're looking at. We're hoping it'll hit a nice 1 to 2 so we can play our congratulations song. Brother, it is pushing. I am sorry for you, bro. I am sorry for you.
Oh my god.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, brother. All right, so let's take a look at Euro USD. Euro USD. Okay, somebody's asking if there's areas to sell. All right, so let's take a look at what's going on here. I think I'm going to do a cleaner chart, guys. There's just too much going on that chart. So let me go to a different chart so we can get I don't like charts that have gaps. Let's do capital.com. Let's see. All right, but much better. Why did the candlesticks look like that, though? Okay, cool. So let me go to the 1 hour. I got to have a breakfast break, guys. One sec. Nice. All right. First thing I'm noticing is right up within this area, price seems to. Now, traditionally, obviously, you wouldn't draw your support resistance like that because you want it to be, kind of uniform. But anyways, you can see somewhere within this area, whenever price goes above this area, it pushes up. When it goes below and pushes into it, it pushes down. All right, we've seen that a couple times. So here we are. Price was giving us higher highs, higher lows, okay? And then we eventually broke down here, went back up, came down, and low. So this is bearish structure starting to form. Now price is creeping, making its way back into this area. With the way price is broken down, this might be a good area to go down. I can agree with that, okay? So what are we gonna look for? We're gonna look at some things that can give us a very good, accurate place to get in. You can see here on the 1 hour, we have this gap right here, okay? When we go down to the 15, look what happened. Price came right in here and started pushing down. So what we could have looked for is literally our pattern, which formed. Okay, we have two things that happen here. You can see price actually was like this, but then also we had price, go up, kind of move sideways a little bit in this little area, but eventually gave us a mini high, low, high, and then broke. Okay, so we would have waited for the retracement or something like that to get in. So what we can do, this is risky, and you guys, if you know me, if my trade was supposed to get me back in, let's say here, okay, and the trade is close to TP or almost hit TP, I'm not getting back in. But for the sake of this example, maybe we can put a paper trade here and see what happens when price returns to this level, okay? If not, I'll show you what our second options can be. We need to make way more money than that, guys. We're in here to win it. All right, guys, let's see. This is nothing, but that's fine. That's fine, because you guys already know, man, we rich on this paper account, bro. 3 mil in this bad boy. We rich in this paper account, bro. Hey, y'all want a loan? Hit me up if you want a loan, bro. I will sponsor you today, bro. All right, so we have gold moving towards CP. All right, so I was supposed to show you guys. Okay, so if we're looking for a second position, right? I always look for a higher time frame to kind of confirm what I'm looking at. I need price to... What? Did we just hit TP? You guys, we hit TP. And you know what that means? It's time to play our congratulations songs. So guys, when the congratulations song starts playing, I want you guys to spam W's in the chat, fire emojis, okay? Wait, 1 second. 1 second, not yet, guys. Not yet. Don't do nothing. Last time I said this, everybody started spamming. Wait. Wait. I know you guys know that sound. All right, so we just hit TP. We're about to play our congratulations song. When I play the congratulations song, I want you guys to spam the chat with nothing but fire emojis and W's, okay? I'm going to try and get this set up. 1 second, guys. All right. I'm going to set this up and we are going to... You guys have already started. Guys, I said wait. Family. I mean, I love y'all. Don't get me wrong, but damn. Okay? So we hit TP. And when I play the congratulations song, please spam the chat with W's. Okay? Let's get some W's in the chat and some fire
W's
emojis.
in the shot.
Yes, sir.
W's in the shot.
All right. So we're about to play the congratulations song in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Congratulations. I am happy for you. Like play, you have come this far. Nothing can stop you from going higher. Congratulations. Yeah, I celebrate you.
Thank you, guys. Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. You guys are amazing, amazing, amazing. We hit TP. This is absolute fire. Congratulations to us, man. Congratulations.
Oh my God.
We are extremely happy, guys.
We
Extremely
are
happy.
extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
We're extremely happy, guys. All right, guys. Congratulations. All right. Thank you guys for spamming the chat. This is fire. You guys will be on IG Reels, not Reels, stories later on today. All right. You're going to be on IG stories later on today. So look out for that. Yesterday, you guys were on the stories. I put you guys up. Today, I'm going to put you guys back up as well. All right. Congratulations. We hit TP. That is absolutely fire, guys. So dope. Okay. And how do we hit TP? By following simple technical analysis. Okay. We had marked up this area here. Let me just show you guys real quick. We had marked up this area here, but we know it's gold. So two things. One, gold has been in a bullish trend, but two, even though price started giving us a bit of bearish movement right here, okay? When it came back up here to go down, it broke lows. Perfect. It came back up into this area, went down, did not break this low, right? That's not perfect. You want price to break the low and then retrace and go down. That's how bearish movement is supposed to work. Price did not do that. It went up. So when it came here, I said, based on what I'm seeing, I'm just marking out the area for you guys to see what it may look like if you want to sell. But I think this might actually go up. Why? Because of this. I'll show you. When we went down to the 1 minute, we saw that this was forming. When price is getting ready to break down, you'll get this, and then you'll get this. Okay? Or sometimes you'll get this and then that. But you see some sort of bearish structure. We didn't get that here. When I saw this, I said, based on the way price is going, we are coming from an uptrend, even though it's on the shorter time frame, and price is literally consolidating into this area. From what I understand from these retail patterns, we're supposed to get this. So I took this trade. You guys, this is proof that any strategy works. You guys know I trade a certain way. I don't really trade with retail patterns. I trade a different way, but it's just proof that no matter what strategy you use, if your technicals are sound, and if you are going in the direction of the overall trend, okay, you should be winning trades. All right, guys. Awesome, awesome, awesome stuff. All right, so now I got to scroll. Let me get rid of this. Now I got to scroll all the way back down here, up here, and see what I missed. Let me see if I missed anything because people were talking before. Let's see. So I'm behind the stream as I had to make a call. Minimum RR is 1 to 2, but some pairs is higher. Okay, cool. LR correlation in the smoothness of the equity graph. Got you. Got you. KDOS had managed to cop a 2.25R trades at school. Did you do that today? Because if you did, we will celebrate you. Let me know. Yes, scalping, bro. I got chopped up by news. Phil said it will never win as high as you do, as it's hard to code some of the rules you use to check the setups. That's true. Okay, you guys remember the live trade we took on the challenge account? I took that live on gold. I was using my discretion, my experience as a trader. You can never code because algorithms don't have intuition, right? That's a God-given. God-given. All right. Did not even see it on TradingView EU analysis. Yes, I did EU analysis already. Black will say your wife nickname. I got the name Duty. Oh, okay. Can you explain? Is that like where you're from type of thing? Because I don't know what that means to me. Phil Hoffer, what's the Sharp ratio? Okay, so they're asking a question. What do you think about futures? Oh man, this is gonna take me. I'm gonna come back to let me write this down so I don't forget. What do I think about futures? Okay, hold on. Futures. By the way, guys, I'm working on this here. Okay, so that we can, when you guys start putting comments and stuff in there, we can, and subscribing stuff, the stuff will pop up on screen. That way I can focus on answering your questions. But one-man army, got a lot going on. I'll get to it at some point. But I'm going to write it here so I can remember. From backtesting, average sharp. Okay, so he's answering that question. Damn, it's not overfit. That's brazy. Good, bloody ratio. Gosh, okay. And then let's see how it plays out going forward. It's easy to tune an EA to historic data. See if it works with the new data. We'll test. Okay, Fauci said today I didn't overtrade. I took good setups. You guys, can we just congratulate everybody who is being disciplined? Okay. Yesterday, Fauci and another person, they were struggling with, not struggling. They came on here saying that they're overtrading and it caused them to lose some trades. Today, they said they're winning. All right. So ladies and gentlemen, okay?
Ladies with gentle hands.
Yes. Let us congratulate our brother Fauci and everybody else who is practicing discipline and not over trading. We just played the song. I don't want to overdo it, so I'm just going to give you our short congratulations.
Congratulations! Oh my God.
Congratulations, guys. Well done. Yolomi said, hey, Pine fam. What's good, Yolomi? What's good? What's good? Black Owl put fire. RIP Gold Sellers. Yeah, Gold Sellers. I'm sorry, guys. But, you know, Bert said extremely happy. Okay, and then a bunch of W's in the chat. Okay, good. Now I can catch up to the regular chat. Perfect. Marcus Agency here. What's good, Marcus? What's good? What's good? What's good? Brother, what's good? What's good? Yeah, today 2 losses, 2 wins, 7R trade, 11R. Don't know if they would lose due to spreads though. Listen, you guys, today's a great day, isn't it? A lot of our people, gotta take a sip. A lot of our people are doing well. So you know what? Because our members are not members, that's the wrong word. Our foreign money family members, okay, are exercising discipline. They're hitting TP, they're winning trades. Shout out to all you pineapples out there, man. We got to play our congratulations song one time. So first off, before we say congratulations, good morning to my foreign money family. Good morning to all you beautiful pineapples out there.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
All right. So now we are going to play our congratulations songs for K. Dot, who's been hitting TP. Fauci, who was winning trades, came back from practicing discipline. You guys, this is the best family on YouTube, and we have the best traders and the best human beings on this live stream. Shout out to all you guys.
Congratulations.
Oh gosh, I'm so sorry. I keep doing that.
Congratulations. You have come this far. Nothing can stop you from going higher. Congratulations. Yeah, I celebrate you.
Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. We are extremely happy for you guys.
We are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
All right. Good job. All right. So let me answer. Somebody asked me about futures. I don't remember who you are. I wrote it down. So I just want to acknowledge your name, because I feel like that's... Okay, TSV said, what do you think about futures? TSV, great question. So here's my experience with futures, because I have a futures account right now. This is what I love about futures, okay? Futures has no spreads, so it is amazing. If you are trading with a futures account and you're trading your own personal money, making money, listen to me, this is my opinion, making money on futures is a lot easier than making money in Forex. A lot. You can be wrong. Let me give you an example. If I enter the same trade right here on gold, and I'm risking $50 per tick move, whatever the case is, right? If I, let's say, got to this level, let's say I'm risking here to here, right? If I, let's say, how many ticks is this? Let's see. This would be a total of 376 points. And I think it's 4 ticks make a point. So you do 376 divided by 4. Okay, so that would be 94 ticks. If my math is right, guys, please forgive me. I'm not a futures person, okay? So you have 96 and you multiply that by $50, okay? On some, okay, so it moves different than indices, but if this was an index pair, this is what you're making, okay, in that move. And so what happens is that if I get halfway, I can literally take futures trades and put my stop loss right here, which is how I trade on futures. When I'm taking futures trades, my stop loss is right there because there are no spreads. So in order for price to take me out here, it'd have to actually break this low for real. And you can get crazy risk rewards. Here's my problem with futures prop firms. Their rules are among some of the dumbest rules I've ever seen. After you finally pass, so they charge you, this is what they do. So when you buy a prop firm challenge, right? Here's how it works. prop firm challenge, 100K account. Okay, let's say you bought it from whatever. Let's say it's let's say equals $400. Okay, that's all you pay. Once you pass your phase 1, your phase 2, whatever you make in the funded stage, you get 80 to 90%. Most prop firms allow. Cool. Not the same with futures. With futures, in your trading stage, you're gonna pay, I think for a 100K account, it's like $70 a month. Excuse me. $70 a month. Okay, I'm gonna put here futures. I'm gonna put here Forex. All right. So you are going to be paying one-time fee. You're going to pay this every month for a 100K account. I could be wrong. They do promotions. Sometimes it's cheaper. Okay. So you're paying $70 a month. And then after you pass, right, you have to pay another $150 activation fee per account. You see what I'm saying? So if it took you 5 months, you see what I'm saying, to pass this, that's $350. Then plus the extra activation fee, which brings you to what, $600? You see what I'm saying? And then after you pass, you have what's called consistency rules. Okay? This means you have to go 5 days of making $200 or more before you get your payout. That's annoying as hell. Like really, really annoying. You see what I'm saying? Not to mention, oh, I forgot to mention. Let me go on a little rant here. Also, please note that during the combine / challenge phase, right? You cannot make more than half your profit target in a day. You see what I'm saying? So that to me is it's easier to trade. Everything's smoother. It's probably going to last longer than Forex prop firms, but the rules are so annoying. They really are so annoying to me. So that's my thoughts on futures. So if I have to choose between futures and prop firms, here's my honest opinion. I'm planning to start a live account on futures and trade that. I'm also going to be doing the combine. I'll do both. But eventually I'll move money into a live futures account because the upside to trade, if you know how to trade, you can make good money on futures. You won't need these consistency rules. So for personal capital, I would probably trade futures. But for challenges, I hate to say it, I still think Forex is better, to be quite honest. The rules are a bit more straightforward. If you have a balance-based drawdown type challenge where it's like, okay, you can only lose 10K on the account. Let's say on a 100K account, you got to make 8K. Second phase, make 5. It is a bit longer for the process, but it looks the same on futures. By the time you're done making that, what is it, 6%? It doesn't sound like a lot, but because they have all these, you can't make this much in a day, and you got to do. By the time you're done doing all that, and then also, right, doing your consistency rules every day or whatever, you're kind of around the same time sometimes as, you know what I mean, as a challenge. So for me, I think Forex prop firms are still better in the application. To me, I go in there, I risk 1 to 2, I pass through 3-4 trades, I'm out. Next one, literally 2 trades, I'll risk 1%, sometimes 2%, right? Pass it in 1 day, and then I'm on to funded, and that's it. Okay, and then whatever I make there, if it's not a shiesty prop firm from the wild, wild west who is posing as, you know what I mean, as a prop firm, let's say in Canada, but it turns out they're all the way in like Shanghai, China, you know what I mean? Or like somewhere deep in St. Kitts or Trinidad. Why are my trades being copied in Trinidad? You know what I'm saying? If it's not one of those shiesty Wild Wild West guys and they pay out, you're good. So that's my honest opinion. Sorry guys, I went on a little bit of a tangent there. Let's see. Yeah, look for a song called Fire Emoji. Well, it would be good for your end of stream. Got you. I'll look for a song for that. But the way it wicked probably... Okay, I think Kados still speaking to someone else. Kados said thank you. Yolomi's laughing. Fauci's laughing. Kados said time to backtest ES LMAO. So the critic said, what's up? Hi guys. I believe with time and competition among firms, things will change. That is also true. To be honest, I think regulation is going to make them change. Regulation is going to come in here and be like, all right, guys, if you don't do this, you can't have a prop firm. And that will really help us to be better. But you know what will happen to our rules? Our rules will get worse. Because the way prop firms work is essentially they're paying me from the money they made from Dean. That's really how it kind of works. You see what I'm saying? Khaled said he's in a Nas entry. He's aiming for a 1. Khaled is aiming for a 8.8 RR.
Jeez.
Jeez, Khaled. All right, let's go take a look at your trade. All right, let's go look and see what Khaled is on. Let's mark up the coordinates, actually. No, not this one. Let's do this one instead. Oh, you guys, look. Price broke down from our structure. Isn't that interesting? All right, anyways, let's mark up the settings here. I think he's in a sell, no? I'm going to do it as a sell. I can't imagine you're... Okay. I'll do it as one or the other, and then we'll take it from there. So he is currently at... His entry's at 19,786. 0.16. Nah, dog, that's got to be... So I'm guessing you're buying. There's no way that's where your entry is on a sell. Unless your stop loss is like from here to thy kingdom come. So I think you're buying. All right, so we're going to do that. And we're going to do entry price again at 19786.16. Oh gosh, bro. 19786.16. All right, cool. And then he said stop loss is 19764. 64 point, what do you have over here? 0.94. Okay, move over. Okay, cool. And then TP is at 19972. $19972.91. Great, bro. I hope you win this, man. This has got to be... I have many questions looking at this setup. I won't lie to you. But we'll see on the 1 minute. Okay, so I'm assuming you obviously entered at this break here. I don't usually comment on people's stop loss. And I'll be as reserved as I can because of the fact that you know what you're doing, I guess, because obviously you're trading this because it works. That stop loss gives me palpitations, okay? It makes my heart and my brain wave. I don't like stop losses like that at all. But if it works for you, ignore and disregard everything I just said, okay? Because you entered, you know what you're looking for, and right now you're currently sitting at a like 1 to 3. Excellent trade so far. So we'll continue to monitor this trade and see how it goes. Great job. We believe in you, Khaled. Khaled, we trust. Thanks, K.FX. Thanks for the comprehensive explanation. You're welcome, Yolomi. No long, not sell. Got you. Yeah, I corrected that. Yona said, my man. What's good, Yona? What's good? What's good? Marcus. Oh, leave this thing. Yona says, sorry, a bit late today. I'm in a crazy account flip at the moment recording for YouTube. I can't wait to see, bro. I can't wait to see. By the way, guys, account flips, I might try it one of these days. I've done it a couple times, but it's not my specialty. All right, I don't do account flips. I've done it a couple times just to prove to myself I could trade, and then I never went back. It's stressful for me, man. It's stressful. But you know what? One of these days, guys, you know what we'll do? A live series where we try and flip an account. We'll just take a position on something that we consider as high risk, and we'll like when I say full margin, we're sending this thing to the moon. We'll just risk it all for the biscuit. I'm saying, bro, we gonna risk it for the biscuit. All right. The stream is day 3, right? No, today's not day 3. I was gonna call it day 3, but I realized if I'm not trading today, how can I say it's day 3? You see what I'm saying? I can't trade today because it's Tuesday. So it's day 2. Day 3 will resume tomorrow. Eunice said, all good. Because they're a risky trade, I do 20 pip stops. Got you. Got you. Dean corrected himself. Kata said, GJ just hit TP. Again? Bro, I got to see your setups. And Marcus, it's much your latest expose of Swaggy C. Yeah, I watched it. Marcus, you took the GJ trade yet? So they're asking you some questions, Marcus. I don't know if you're still in here. Oh yeah, he said yeah, took to G. Eunice have flipped 300 to 3K, and now I'm in with 10 lots on USD long with that 4K floating profit. Oh my gosh, yeah, that's fire, bro. You guys, that is absolutely fire. That is absolutely fire. All right, so I'm gonna go take a look. He's on Euro USD and he's in buys, right? Are you in buys? Yeah, he's long. Oh gosh, on Euro USD. Let's see if we can. Anyways, I don't want to ruin your analysis, okay? You obviously know what you're doing, so do that. This setup we took was going to be our entry, okay? We'll still leave it open just so you guys can see. But let's see if we can analyze your long, okay. So, I mean, here's what I'm seeing, right? Right off the bat right here. Has been a strong area. I'm going to change the color so that's easier to kind of follow along and it's not too confusing. So we've pushed up from this level. I pray for your sake that this paper trade that we marked out is so wrong. Like so wrong, okay? And that you are right. And I pray that price doesn't want to come back and retest this level. Because the push from here, depending on how this closes in 6 minutes, will tell me everything I need to know about where price is going. All right, so we will keep our eyes open. You guys, let's pray for Yanni. I'm so sorry, Yanni. Yona, that he passes this because he's about to flip $300 into 10K, which is absolute fire. I gotta watch that. I might even react to it. Bro. That's absolutely fire. I will end screenshot to your Insta. Are you talking to me, Khalid? Or are you talking to someone else? I know, but if you want to send me screenshots on Instagram, yeah, for sure. I think your graph is in the future. Trades are running here later after I've seen in your graph. Are you talking about me, DJ? Because, yeah, the stream is a bit delayed. All right, there's about, when I watch it on the main thing, like on YouTube, when I speak, there's about a 5-second, sometimes 10-second delay. So you guys are seeing things a little bit behind. All right, and the chat comes like right after too. So if you're seeing things delayed, it's just because of the stream. But if you're looking at the live charts, whatever you're seeing is what I'm seeing. I'm not one of those. I don't have no softwares that give me any advantage. Wow, Fauci. Good job. Good job. Is this forming a channel? If this is forming a channel. Now, guys, keep in mind this is a 1 minute time frame. So don't really even look at this. But if this was a higher time frame, I'd be looking anywhere in here for sells. I won't even lie. Right? We went up, came down, broke structure. Come back up, broke this level. Okay? That's a good sign to me. Not just like wicked, broke. So for me, this is what I would anticipate. But again, it's 1 minute. So, yeah, I mean, don't lose sleep over a 1 minute analysis. Yes, stacked in at 1115. Oh my gosh. All right. So my brother's entry was at looks like, if I'm not mistaken. Oops. Am I tripping? One. So 1 1. 5. I'm sorry, too many. Oh wow. Bro, you have been in here for a hot minute. I see. So you're good, bro. You're good. At the very least, you'll be able to like cut some losses. Not even losses, like close some at a, for profit and stuff like that. So I want to make sure this is correct. 3 1s, right? 1 1 1 5. There we go. So we don't know where your stop loss is at, but currently you got in somewhere. Must have gotten somewhere like here. Okay, which is awesome. Absolutely awesome. And you're obviously holding for a longer TP. Yeah, you're not just flipping this, bro. You're making it yours. Good job. Good job. All right, so we're rooting for you, brother. We're rooting for you that you hit a crazy TP. I really want to see that. And what's his name? Khaled. Khaled is also going nuts. See, so somebody was asking the other day, who are the best traders in Discord? You guys, I have an idea. You guys want me to announce something? I have an announcement. Do you guys want to hear now, or you guys want to wait? Should I wait? Should I tell you guys? Should I tell you guys? Okay, let me put a poll up in the chat. Let me put a poll up in the chat. Wait, I just realized something. How come I can't? How come I can't put up a poll in the chat today? This is weird. Reactions, timestamp, moderation activity. You guys, for some reason, I can't set up a poll. Yo, what is going on? Yeah, I can't set up a poll, guys. All right, so you guys are going to have to let me know if you guys want me to tell you or not. If we get more yeses than no, I may tell you guys. All right, so let's go back to some of these. Target. So you want to say long-term target is 1, 3. Okay, wow. So TP is... Oh, I'm sorry. This is the wrong one. This is Khaled's. Yours, the TP is... Right, USD. Okay, so TP, he said, is 1300. Let me just go to the 1 hour so I can see what you're doing. Holy fuck. Brother. The way where you're aiming for TP. You sure you're only going to make 10K? When your TP hits, you might start a prop firm after. That TP is insane. Okay, let me check your coordinates. Okay, let me see. Maybe, just maybe, I have things wrong. So that's your TP, that's your entry. Where's your stop loss? Let's see. We'll see. TJ equity swings are pretty insane right now due to the lot size. Got you. Basically went long this morning at opening. Very nice. So, oh gosh, you guys, there's so many trades that I have to analyze, but I'll take a look at KDOT. Just gave me one as well, so we're gonna look at KDOT. When you get a chance, Yona, if you could let me know where your stops are. They're probably at break even at this point, but let me know. GJ. All right, so we have NQ, we have EURUSD. We already hit TP on gold, so we can chill out, we can relax. Let's go to GBP, JPY. My broda. All right, so let's see. KDOT said he's in a sell. Here's another pair that I'm starting to like over time is GJ. I like the way it moves. I really like the way it moves. But anyways, let me plot these coordinates before I start talking about my love for these pairs. So KDOT right now is currently at, so entries. Okay, so 192. By the way, guys, like the stream, okay? If you guys come on here, please like the stream. It helps with the algorithm. Like the stream. Like the stream so that it helps me as a creator, okay? Entries at 192.889. Ooh, 192.889. Perfect. Then TP's at 192.606. 192. Okay. And that, did I read that correctly? Entry at 192.889. Here's the entry. TP at 192.606. Okay, let me check the stop loss. Stop loss is 192.927. You guys are either doing witchcraft or something. What is... Yo, it reminds me of a Nigerian... this Nigerian movie I watched where the guy said, do you people go to church at all? You guys' stop losses... You guys' stop losses are insane. This was your entry and stop loss? Are you guys trading on futures or on Forex? Huh. Look at this trade. You entered here. Stop loss was there. No. No. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let me check some. I missed some stuff here. It said basically went long this morning. And I'm learning 1 minute to get entries. Yeah, keep watching, bro. You'll see how I set up on 1 minute. 1 minute's like people are scared of it because of a lot of noise, but if you know how to get in, you can get some of the best setups in the universe. Kida said I'm putting the chart on Discord. Okay, got you, Kida. I'm gonna check it out. Kida said nice Fauci coming to the dark side. Yeah, man. Hey, all my snipers, all my scalpers in the chat. Put a bow and arrow in the chat, bro. Put a bow and arrow in the chat. The best traders in the world. I don't care what no one says. We are snipers, bro. The scalpers. If you're a scalper on this stream, bro, put a bow and arrow emoji in the chat. Whole day long, I hope for daily engulfing. If it doesn't happen, I need to cut it properly. Got you. Then wait 2 to 3 weeks for this. Thanks, man. Waited 2 to 3 weeks. Oh, wow. You guys, you see that? He waited 2 to 3 weeks for this setup. Patience pays. Now he's about to make 10K. 10 grandular dollars. Very wonderful. That eating up my profits. LOL. Yeah, bro. Steven said now. What's now? What do you say now for, Steven? Anyways, welcome, Steven. He said ICT, it's hella annoying to work with, but once you get it, it feels so good. Yeah, K-Dot is an ICT trader. All right, so he vouches for the man and his setups. We got a lot of different traders in here. But anyways, well, all he's saying is that once you learn how to trade on those lower time frames with all whatever setups and methods you use, you're going to be a happy camper. Fauci said, I am the best trader in the world, respectfully and with a humble heart. Bro, Fauci, you know what? You know what, Fauci?
The GOAT! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
That's why Fauci is the GOAT, bro. Fauci's the GOAT. He's the best trader. Hey, shout out to Fauci, bro. Fauci made his first $1 million when he was, how many months were you when you just came out the womb? 9 months? Fauci's the GOAT, bro. Good morning, Steven said. The snipes are satisfying. Absolutely. Fauci said, YouTube got beef with you. Bro, probably, bro. I don't want to know if it ain't me. What do you mean? Oh, shoot. Oh, look at all the bow and arrow emojis. Oh, my gosh, guys. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to catch up on the chat here. What do you mean? 15K. If it happens, it happens. But that is the best case scenario. Got you. There's a high point on weekly. That's why the setup comes out. This got you. And sales are even, but not all positions because stacked in. Gotcha. Weekly candle needs to flip green for this trade to work out. Got you again. Amir said, can you suggest a free backtesting app for us, please? You guys, okay, here is one actually. There's one called, I'm going to find it for you right now. Let me write it down so I don't forget. Free backtesting apps. Okay. I'm going to get to that in a second. Spam FX reply. Forex, that's why I don't know if the spreads would have taken it out. Order, block entry. I'm long on GP AUD and short on your JPY charts in the Discord trading ideas. Got you. I'm going to take a look at it, guys. Shout out to all of you guys who are commenting stuff. Just bear with me as I'm catching up, okay? For those of you saying, damn, brother is hungry. How can I not be hungry when I'm speaking 15 words per second? I'm hungry. Let me be. All right. We got some scalpers in the building with a bow and arrow. Fauci said, I'm converting from day trading to scalping. Hey, listen, you got to come with a strong heart. Scalping will make you sit in the corner of your room and just cry, okay? Some days it gets nasty, but once you get it, it's absolutely fire. Marcus said, got out of GJ, waiting for better entry. Got you. Marcus said, respectfully. He said, yeah, 9 months, fam. You guys, that's why he's the GOAT, bro. 9 months, he made his first mil. All right? If anybody, guys, if anyone needs a loan, money, you need a Rolls Royce. By the way, I'm going to send you a list of the things that I need, Fauci, right after this so that, you know, Christmas is on you. You know what I'm saying? So Fauci's the GOAT, bro. He's super rich. If you guys need anything, hit up Fauci, bro. Fauci's the guy. Fauci is the guy. All right, let me take a look at some people's positions. First off, they said it's on Discord. So let's go hit up the Discord family. And I think they said it's on trading ideas. Okay, so let's go take a look at what's going on here. All right, Phil said, I'm also in this trade on JP AUD. Ah, nice. And then he also said, here's the 2-hour point of interest. Gotcha. All right, let's take a look at that. I'm going to move this to the side so I can follow along. GBP AUD. And NQ. Okay, cool. So we will sacrifice GJ for now to go look at KDOT is also KDOT. Are you an octopus? You're in the Discord and on the stream at the same time. Heh. GBP AUD. All right, let's take a look. GBP AUD, baby. All right. Oh boy. Yo, is this what we talked about yesterday with price coming into this level and pushing up? I think this is the one. No, this is from 90. So this was last week. But we talked about this. Somebody asked me about this and I said, bro, when you get here, just know price is probably going to push up. And look at what it's doing. All right, let's take a look at the trades here. Okay, so the first chart is on the 3 minute. I have never used the 3 minute time frame. So there's a first time for everything. All right, so he says he's looking at the gap right there. Okay, so I'm guessing it's this gap. All right, and then he has his stops in at a point, FVG. All right. From what I see, it looks like he's got something just like that, just about that. And then his TP is somewhere, looks like around here, maybe. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. About a 1 to 2. Very nice. Very nice. So we'll see. We're hoping and praying and wishing for you, Phil. Thank you for sharing that analysis. I think somebody else was also in there. Oh, and I got to suggest the free backtesting stuff. Oh my gosh, bro. Marcus said he's back in GJ. Scalping 30 seconds and 5 seconds. 30 seconds and 5. I didn't buy that type of subscription. I don't think I have the seconds available. Let me see. Yeah, there you go. I've got to upgrade. I only have the essential plan. So it's just so I can backtest intraday, but I don't have the premium plan. All right. So 5 second and 10 second. Are you Ant-Man? You're trading in the quantum realm? Holy father, this guy is something else. All right, I'm watching on my phone and Discord's on the PC. Got you. Fire. You're a goat for that. Thank you. Oh, so long-term view is 12 hours is bullish. Got you. By the way, NZDs was a crazy one for the last couple of days. Became a rocket. Not hard to see from the daily and the 4H. Got you, Yona. All right. 2-hour chart identifies POI. 3-minute chart arranges the entry. Oh, that's interesting. And someone said, look at Euro AUD. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, let's one at a time. I'm going to look at Euro AUD very quickly. Okay, let me pull that up real quick. We'll come back to you, Phil. Just remind me if I forget about it first. You know what? Let me do this. Let me put some sort of an alert. I'll say price is back at entry. Okay, and I'll say for here, price is hitting SL. Okay, you guys, if you're new, join the Discord. Follow me on Instagram as well at mymoneyforeign, and also like the stream, please. All right, so let's go take a look at Euro AUD. Euro AUD. All right, we had somebody already in this trade. Euro AUD. Look at Euro AUD. So I've already done the analysis on this, but here's my general theory. We're at this gray zone. Okay. And price, okay, let me just show you from here. We're at this zone here, this level where price has strongly been rejecting. And we're anticipating, some people are in sells because they think it's going down, which is totally fine. We're anticipating that at some point we might get a push up for 2 reasons. One, on Euro AUD, we have this gap right here, this bullish gap, okay? Bullish gap on a weekly time frame, all right? So something to behold. It might retrace all the way down to this level, right? It might come deep in. It might even clear it and then go up. But we're expecting some sort of retracement. Not to mention, at this level, there's also an area of support, which used to be resistance. So looking at that, when we go to the 1 hour, we can see price did this. It was giving us lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. You get the point. Lower low, and then, okay? And so we're anticipating this. This is what I'm thinking for Euro AUD. All right. So you can look for potential buys. You can see over here, price came into this 15-minute zone. What we need to look for is our pattern, which formed right here. Oh my, gosh, I should have got into this actually. Look at how beautiful this setup is. Oh my goodness. I should have been paying attention, but you know, it is what it is. So for me, if I'm scalping, I'm already out. You know what I'm saying? I already missed the gravy train. Here's another thing you can look at very quickly. You see right here, price is forming a bit of a channel right here. Okay, then it broke below the channel. It's coming back to kind of retest this area. We got to see what it does, right? So lots of things going on there. Keep in mind. So that's my analysis for Euro AUD. Somebody asked about the free backtesting softwares. So let me get to it. Hold on. If you see the screen as black, guys, do not be afraid. Do not be afraid. Okay? It's just me. All right, we're going to go here. We're going to go free backtesting. There you go. All right, there's one here. Where is it at? So there's Forex tester. Is it Forex tester? So there's this one. And respectfully, this one is absolute. All right, so it's not the best, but there's that one. Okay, so okay, here's what I'll do. I'll open this one in one tab, and there's one that I used when I was backtesting before that really helped me because I can track free Forex backtesting software. Where is it at? There's also this one. I remember this one. I think this one kind of sucked too, but maybe it's better. Okay, there's also that one. Reject. Nobody taking my cookies. Pause. All right, so where is it? Where is it? I'll show you the one that in my opinion was the best one that I used. That was free. Okay, where is it at? Oh, I think it's called Forex Simulator. Yeah, I think so. This one. This one was the best one that I used. Privacy error. What kind of site is this? Oh boy. Hey, listen, I'm sorry. I'm saying gotta go back to safety, bro. No diddy. All right, so this was the best one. Here's the issue. It offers a free trial for I think like 2 weeks. So you can get a lot of backtesting in, but this helped me so much. In fact, guys, I'm gonna show you something right now. Give me 1 second. I have this book, okay? I'm going to show you what's in here. Setups from backtesting with this software. You guys see this? You guys, I'm going to switch for a second, okay? So you guys can see it on a bigger screen real quick. Okay? You see this, guys? Sniper entries. Your boy been a sniper, bro. Green arrow ain't got nothing on your boy. You see what I'm saying? These are the type of setups. I have a whole book. I printed out my setups, okay? You see what I'm saying? So I have I can show you a whole bunch. The book is like full of setups, but that software helped me tremendously. So if you guys are considering getting into a, what's it called? Considering getting into a simulator, this to me was the best one. It shows you your stop loss, take profit. It shows you how much you made per trade, how much you risked, shows you your winning percentage, and you can open a simulation, like a page where it shows you all your results. It's beautiful. So that was my favorite one. But if you guys are on Mac, here's what you need to know. If you're on Mac, let me go back here real quick. If you guys are on Mac, then understand that because you're on Mac, you're going to have to download a program. Oh, gosh, now I got to go back and show y'all. You're going to have to download a program called Parallels. Okay? What this does is that it allows you, this software is amazing. You can also run it for free for a bit. You can run Windows software, okay? You can run Windows software on your Mac. Okay, so I did this on my Mac, but I also have a PC laptop, so I don't need that anymore. But this is what I did, guys. Free game, free sauce. Too much sauce, too much juice. You guys know the song? Anyways, all my Africans don't know. So yeah, this is what I used. All right, guys. So if it's helpful, guys, like the stream. But yeah, on a serious note, it's a really good software, really good platform. All right, so we have Euro USD going towards the downside from this gap. So I'm saying, somebody else is also on GJ. Khaled is making his way to TP. He's right now currently sitting at a 1 to 5. You guys, I was going to tell you guys the announcement. It was going to be fire. But since you guys did not respond to the announcement, I'm not going to tell you guys the crazy thing that I have planned for you guys. Y'all going to have to just wait. Y'all are just going to have to wait. All right. So let's take a look at GJ. Euro USD, Euro AUD. All right. Yeah. GBP, JPY, baby. All right. So let's see here. So Fauci said, look at USD CAD and USD JPY. Okay, got you. I'm going to look at it in just a second. Oh, I thought I saw somebody say GJ. Okay, let's go look at USD CAD. We were looking at USD CAD this morning, actually. You see, we have this area from here. And price isn't pushing down. All right, let's go up to this side here. USD CAD. Let's see what's going on. So price came into the zone, pushed up, and now it's pushing down. And it broke up from this channel that we marked up. And now it's pushing towards the side. So for me personally, I always look for my entries at certain zones. Right now that price is in the middle of all of this doing its thing. I'm going to leave it alone, to be quite honest. I don't really see any entries unless you're thinking of... Oh, I thought my wife was calling me. You're thinking of getting in for a retracement, then you might be able to get into something around here. So we can go down to the 1 hour first. You see what I'm saying? Look at some of the gaps. There's a gap here, but we have to wait for this to close. Okay, once this closes in half an hour, we can tell if it's a gap or not. The next one up here is this. All right, now this might not be bad only because there's a lot of other areas. There's an order block and what seemed to be a support and resistance level there. So you might want to go down there for a retracement. You can also see here on the 15-minute, we have another gap right here. You see what I'm saying? And price already tapped into that, utilized it. It also tapped into here and did the same thing. So for me, I'd be looking at sells, if anything. For buys, I ain't got nothing, bro. Price is already going towards the floor. I'm anticipating at some point, even if it doesn't do it today, it's probably aiming for this level, right? To break. In fact, let me see if I can add it here. All right, to break structure. So that's my opinion on USD CAD. Let's go to USD JPY, baby, because that was the next one, right? USD JPY. Bro, did I miss all this? Oh, no, wait. Let me see. Gotcha with the like oil and NAS and RTY. What in the world is that? Okay, we did NAS already. We'll take a look at oil as well. And we'll do USD CAD. It's interesting because at present I'm using weak as weak as well as retest support and resistance level. Then GPAD is currently using a weak support level. Maybe I should look at only using strong levels. Bro, you notice why, this is for Phil. Phil, you notice why I never, ever say I'm taking a move off of a 1 minute gap? Or even 5 minute? 15 and above. 15, 1 hour, 4 hour, anything else. Nothing under 15 minute. Because those levels and those gaps, sometimes they hit, sometimes they don't. The higher the time frame, usually the stronger the gap. So definitely. Nice structure change on the 1 hour. Yona, I'm so sorry, bro. I think you're on Euro USD. Okay, I think you're still on that. So I've been going back and forth. I will look into it. I just want to get into some of the analysis for a lot of these guys who are new or just want an analysis and things like that. But thank you for the updates on Euro USD because it helps us to know what's going on. The GJ is having a very good liquidity in the history left side. Okay, Amir. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look. So unfortunately, we hit T stop loss with this. I mean, what seems to be his stop loss. He might still be in the trade. All right. So unfortunately, this didn't really play out. But he's already up 3R today. So he can afford to lose one. And that's if he risked a full 1%. All right. So let's go back here for a second. Let's take a look at, someone mentioned GJ. But I have to do USD JPY first real quick, guys. So I apologize. For those of you guys who are asking for analysis, just bear with me. We will analyze as much as we can. Everybody's request, everybody's pair. You guys, it's 11:30. You know I'm supposed to be off by 11, right? But I love y'all. It's for the love of the people in the Foreign Money family. If you're a Foreign Money family member, you're in the Discord, please like the stream. Okay? Please like the stream. All right. So let's take a look at what's happening here. We can see, so here's the interesting I find about this. This is technically, you know, if it stays within this channel, we're technically might be in a period of too much. We're technically in a period of consolidation right here. Okay, so technically this is what might be going on. And if this is the case, we might get one of two things. Either price is going to do this, right? Because it came from here. And now it's moving in this box. So price is going to do this and go up. Or is going to go down. And it's our job to determine if that will be the case. For now, I'm not going to focus too much on that because I would like to see price respect this range maybe one more time before I consider it a total sideways range. But for the most part, when we go over here, we can see what price is doing. Okay, price was following, and look at this, guys. Looks like one of these might be starting. You know what this tells me? Over time, no matter how many times we come down, eventually we're going to do this. And if we go to the weekly, right, we can see where this is happening at a very strong zone. See what I'm saying, guys? So we will see. We shall see where, as they used to say in the movies, we'll see where the power lies. All right, so here we have this channel. You know what? I'm still going to draw the lines because I really feel like this is something good to pay attention to. Like that. Okay? And then I'm going to... Gosh, that's so ugly. Let me just leave it like this. We get it. We're in a down channel. All right, so here we are. Price was going lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. What do we expect here? Lower high. So at this point, I'm anticipating we're going to be bearish. Now, the last 3 candles, okay, have tapped into this zone right here. I'm going to just highlight it for a second. This zone right here, the last 3 candles have tapped into this zone and have failed to close above or even in that zone. What does that tell you? This is a daily chart. This tells you this zone is super strong. Now, what we're expecting, because it's bearish, is that price may either want to retest it one more time, or now that it's here, when it closes bullish or bearish, whatever, it might do one of these and then go down. So our job now is to go down to a lower time frame and try and catch this move. Unfortunately for us, we've missed the gravy train. Okay? So we had a move right here. All right? A nice rectangular fair value gap right there. Okay, price came in, tapped right into it, shot to the floor. Okay, so at this point, you might want to wait and see what happens in the next 20 minutes to see if this closes and leaves a gap. But for the most part, we're kind of going down. Here's the other thing that you guys can look at for those of you who want to catch a sell. You can see from here that price has been going across this trend line quite nicely. So essentially, once we get a break somewhere, somewhere below here, might look for another point of interest and go down. Okay, because price is about to take out these lows as well. We have this low here. Okay, we have this low right here. And then we also have this low right here, which price is moving towards. Okay, so to me, I am bearish. I'm patient though. I'm not going to just hop in here and just start taking whatever I see. I'm going to wait for the setups to get to my zones before I get into. Now, if you are anticipating that price is going back up to the upside, you can see here there's a gap here and there's also a gap here. If you are looking for buys, because everybody sees the market differently, those are your 2 spots. Okay, right here and right there. All right, so you can possibly say, okay, when price gets down to the 1 minute, I'll see if it gives me my whatever, and then I'll hop in. For me personally, I will leave it alone for now. I'm not really interested in buys in this market. There's a good chance price can break above towards the upside, but I would rather wait for that and a push above this zone before I start looking for sells. All right, so that's my analysis on USD JPY. I hope it helps. Okay, let's see here. GJ is having a... Okay, we're going to take a look at GJ just now. Ayo, free Diddy. Fauci.
Brother, what's that?
What are you doing, Fauci?
What's that, brother?
What are you doing? Absolutely not. Fauci said virus. Amir Khan said, well done, Fauci. You are the GOAT, and I appreciate what you did. I need backtesting site. Okay, I'm going to go back to the site for you. Oh, my gosh. Okay, here we go, guys. Here are the sites. You know what? Let me put the links in the, what's it called? In the chat, okay? We're going to copy this link first. Okay, this is going to be the worst one. The absolutely worst one. Absolutely worst one. So we have this one here. I'm going to say, oh gosh, it sent it anyways. So that's one. This is another free one. Okay. That's two. Yo, Lupe Beats from Ghana. Hey, what's up, what's up, what's up, brother? Otiden. Yeah, man. I don't speak Tree, by the way. I speak Fanti, just so you know. Because I know you guys would say Etisang. Fanti over here. Anyways, what's up, my Ganya brother? What's good, what's good, what's good? And the last one, okay, there's parallels. Let me just click on parallels for you as well. Give you guys the link to that. This is parallels. Okay, and then last but not least, we have this guy right here. Now, okay, I'm going to give it to you anyways. Please use VPN, antivirus, all that stuff. I beg you, don't go onto the site and say, yo, foreign, you owe me a new computer, bro. You fried my motherboard. No, you fried your motherboard. I didn't enter the site as you saw. Don't go enter the site and then blame me. That's you. That is 1,000% you. All right, guys. All right, back to the trading. Gosh, there's so much I have to get back to. Okay, so, so that's what Fauci was saying virus for. And then I need back to say, okay, tell us. Oh, okay, so now you guys want me to tell you the announcement. I don't know, man. I think I'm a gatekeep. Guys. I think I'm a gatekeep. We'll see. Should I tell you guys? I don't know, man. You want to say you killing me, man. Khaled said 35 pip to TP. Did you hit TP or you're 35 away? Because you're in Euro. Are you in Euro? No, you're not the one in Euro USD. You are the one in NAS. Bro, good job, man. I hope you hit TP. This guy's on some witchcraft stuff, bro. I don't know what he's doing. But he is going crazy this morning. The other day, Maximus was up 33% on his account, bro. Some of you guys, anyways, I will talk to you guys in private. Let's see. Amir Khan, yes, sir. For what, fam? Oh, okay, so they're talking to each other. I don't enter after 11. Excellent. Good job. Same rule for me. Check on NZD USD too, but we missed out the rocket today. Okay, I'll check out NZD USD. Let's go ahead and check it out. NZD USD, brother. Oh, wow. This thing is just going to... Damn, we really did miss a nice move. We really did miss a nice move. Let me see if it kind of... Does it work over here? I wouldn't really call that a strong line, but we'll keep it here for now. And I don't think I would have found an entry here this morning. I won't lie to you. I have no reason. Just because there's no reference to the left-hand side. At the time when we get to the charts, we're in a bullish trend. Oh, but would you look at that? Look at where price is approaching, guys. We might find ourselves a beautiful place to sell. Ooh, this is going to be like art. I'm actually going to put a reminder right here, an alert. Price is approaching foreign money. Oh, shoot. Oh, my God. Guess what happened to my keyboard, guys? You guys remember this? You guys remember this nonsense? Damn Apple. I have an Apple keyboard. And they use batteries. I got to go. You guys, I'm supposed to be buying a new camera anyways and stuff. So we'll see. I got to buy a whole bunch of stuff for the... If you guys saw my IG stories, you guys saw we're upgrading some stuff. So I might be upgrading the office. We'll see. Foreign money. And I'll say money line. Yeah, man. All right, so when price gets here, we'll get an alert for that. That's NZD USD. When it gets up here, I may consider, because you know what I'm saying? Like, look at this, bro, like clockwise. Okay, so you can see very clearly price was giving us a bit of a down, you know what I mean? Almost a down channel. You can do it like this, but it's actually more accurate to kind of do it like that. And the reason is, right, I believe this was the better look. So this is essentially what we have had. Price came down. You know how this stuff goes, right? Like this, and then what we have now is price breaking towards the upside. So if this is a fake out, this is going to be the level that says, yeah, enough with your fakery. All right, right here. So That's all I'm looking at for NZD USD right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, K-Dot's talking to someone else. Someone's saying to Fauci something else. I'm still in, never risk more than 0.5. Oh, you're still in that trade of, where were you on? It wasn't Nas. Was it your AUD? Something. But either way, we'll check it out in a bit. All right, so Fauci is speaking to Amir, and they're talking. Cool. Yonayot said the diddler. The diddler. Yo, and then Lupa Beats gave me the big up. What's good, Lupa? Shout out to you. Okay, I put the stuff in here. Lupa was laughing. Lupe, I'm sorry. Lupe Beats, not Lupa. Lupe, I can't wait till Kofi? Fauci, where are you from? Originally, where were you manufactured? You know, where were your parents designed? Where were you manufactured? I wonder where you were from. Have you got a Telegram? Not yet, but I do have a Discord, bro. Join the Discord. Follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram. All my foreign money family supporters, they end up on my IG stories. This is my Instagram handle. All right. I can't wait to be well at my funds, and I now met you today. Hard on me now. Gold is a ripper. Yeah, I don't know. Did you see the trade we took on gold? Went pretty well. You know, but Lupe, listen, glad to have you here. We have a lot more opportunities to make money. I'm doing a live Forex series. Yesterday was day 2. Tomorrow, I'm going to continue. I'm trading a live challenge account, okay? That we're going to try and pass the challenge and get a payout live for the next 30 days. So join the family, brother. 9 pips to TP. Oh, wow. Khaled is going. I'm going to check it out. As an ICT trend lines and support and resistance seems to be so subjective. How do you differentiate between zones and bands? Zones just as an insight. Oh, yeah. I get this question every so often. People always ask, how do you know which zone? How do you know this, and that? So let me see if I can find a good trend line. So, for example, let's look at the one that happened on Nas. That way we can look at Khaled's trade. Khaled is just flying. Okay. Khaled has the market in a chokehold. So we're going to celebrate him soon. Khaled, shout out to you, man. Even if it reverses on you, excellent trade. Excellent trade. All right. Let me go over to this side here. All right, maybe the 1 hour will be better. All right, cool. So on the 1 hour here, as everybody says, right, trend lines are subjective. So how did we know, for example, that this trend line would be the one or whatever the case is? I do not trade on trend lines. You'll never see me say, oh, price is at this trend line. That's a sell, sorry. I should be looking for a buy right. No. Trend lines, I only use trend lines for one reason. You guys know I have 3 things. Let's see if people are paying attention. Guys, help me out here. I have 3 things that I use for my trading plan and my trading setup. What are those 3 things, guys? Come on, help me out here. Put it in the chat. What are those 3 things? I want to know if you guys are paying attention or if you guys are just here to stare at my black face. I'm happy, bro. That's what's up, Lupe. Gonna throw my last 2K. Do you want to bump it up? Okay, hold on. Lupe. I hope I'm not reading that correctly. Are you saying you're gonna YOLO your last 2K in some account? I hope not. Okay, people are talking. Okay, perfect. I'm getting some answers here. Nah, he said manufacturer LOL from South Africa. Oh, are you Fauci? That's fire, bro. I have a lot of South Africans in here and they show me pure love. So shout out to all my South Africans. All right. So people are absolutely correct. We have market trend. Okay. In other words, or let me do it like this. Direction. Okay. Market direction. Okay. Then we have market structure. Shout out to you guys for paying attention. This is wonderful stuff. When the free course comes out, you guys will eat it all up. And then we have POI, which also stands for... Okay. And these are the 3 things. So trend line is used for market trend. That's it. If you guys saw on the last one I did, was it NZD USD? So one of the last analysis I did, the trend line just helps me understand which direction we're going. You see, when I mark out the trend line, what are we seeing from this? We're seeing that we have higher lows. Higher low here, higher low here, higher low here. But we can see over here we have the highest low, a highest high, a lower high, another lower high, okay? And this tells me what? That price may want to do this, Okay. Now, according to retail strategies, this is what we're supposed to get. Right? Depending on where you are, we're either supposed to get it to break towards upside or a bit of a fake out and go down. Okay? Because this is the trend that needs to be broken. So I only use trend for market direction, nothing else. I'll give you a better example because US 30 and them, they don't really respect nobody. You know what I mean? They're very disobedient, disrespectful type pairs. So you see, they don't like nobody. Let me go show you a different pair that we took a trade on with. So here's a prime example, okay, of marking out a channel and looking for price to go in a certain direction. It's just for me to figure out, okay, price has been going down in this channel. So right now we are bearish. So when I'm in this channel, guess what I'm looking for? Bearish trades. Now, in this case, I won't lie to you. This is a weird situation. Usually when you have price coming up like this and it starts going towards the downside like that, it's supposed to break upwards. So whatever happened here was some next stuff, but I suspect it's because of news. All right, but I'm going to give you guys a proper example so it makes sense. Let me see. We were just looking at a pair that had a channel and we marked it up correctly. Guys, I'm sorry. If I find one, I will show you. Okay, but long story short, I only use trend lines for market direction. Now, he asked, how do you know which zone is better than the next or which ones to use? Guys, there's two things. The short answer is going to be there's intuition. And I don't mean like, when the market gets started, I'm like, ooh, I feel goosebumps. You know what I mean? It's not one of those. It's just more like you can tell by everything that's lined up by, okay, intuition. God, I'm going to go on a different tangent here, okay? Intuition is a God-given, what's the word I can use? Sense. Okay. And I'll tell you why. Gosh. Intuition. Okay. They did a study. They took a bunch of people, right? You guys have probably seen this video before. They took a bunch of people, a group of like, I think 40 or 60 people. And then they brought a gumball machine. For those of you who don't know what a gumball machine is, this is what a gumball machine is. Okay. Perfect. So they brought one of these. And then they asked a group of 60 people. They say, hey, yo, listen. We want all of you guys to guess what's in here. Okay? Let me just move this over. We want you guys to guess how many gumballs are in here. And when they had everybody give their answers, some people said 60, 100, 200, 1,000, whatever. When they took all the answers, okay? They took all the answers, divided the answers by the number of guesses or people, the average was like 3 or 5 off of the amount of gumballs that was in the machine. That was one test they did. The second test they did is that they told people, as soon as you look at this, just tell me what you feel like, what comes to mind right away as to how much is in here. Do you know when people, their first answer was usually correct? So if there was 600 gumballs, they were guessing like 550, 540, 590. 610, 620. But when they tried to calculate, they're like, maybe 1,000. And it proved that your intuition is much sharper and much faster at calculating things. The reason why intuition is given to us by God is so that when you have a situation where you don't have time to be like, all right, guys, now let me check. You can just already get a sense, an accurate sense, a short snapshot of what it is that you are analyzing. Makes sense? So when I'm looking, I don't even know. I'm so sorry that we got here, guys. I preached yesterday. I'm not trying to preach again today. But long story short, when you get to the market, there are just certain things you can't teach because intuition is a God-given sense that you sharpen. You sharpen your intuition by applying it, listen to it, and all that stuff. Okay, cool. So that's one. That's the short, easy, cop-out, get-out-of-jail-free card answer. The other way, and I've mentioned this multiple times, I'm going to go down to the 15-minute. So I'll give you a prime example. Let's see here. We have, I'm going to go back in time just so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. We have this gap here. And then we also have this gap right here. The question we have to ask ourselves is if we're looking to take a trade towards the downside, right? Which gap is likely to take us down? Now, most people be like, oh, this gap right here, actually, when I draw the Fibonacci, right? When I draw the Fibonacci and I pull it from here to here, I can clearly see that this is within the 50-60 zone, blah, 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 right? They also say, I can also see here that there's a, support and resistance line. Let me just mark this up. There's a support and resistance line right here that kind of lines up. And you can do all that. But let me tell you what I do. When price gets to my zone, this is all I do. I wait. Patience pays in trading. I wait to see what price action I'm seeing. Guess what price is doing? It's pushing through. It means this is not the intended gap. But when price gets to this area, guess what I'm seeing? I'm starting to see that as we're going up, from here, we have a bit of an upside. And we might get something like this. This is aggressive, okay? But I consider this a low as we're moving up. All right, watch this. So price goes up into this zone and breaks that low. What I got to ask myself, let me just do this so it's a bit easier. What I then ask myself is, as price was making higher highs and higher lows, is this enough to enter the trade? Okay, for me, no. But what I'm typically looking for is this. Price give me a higher high, then a break of structure with a lower low, and then I'm looking to get in. Let's see what happens. Okay, price starts pushing towards the downside, left without us. It happens. But I'm patient to wait for my setup. This to me is a far better setup. The only reason why I won't take this in real life is because this move has already occurred. And if something like this, let me just draw it out for you guys. If this move where we get one of these happens, I need it to be above the last swing high, or else this could be a fake out. But essentially, this is where I would enter, let's say, stops right above the thing. Why? Because when price got to this level, it started acting different, started breaking structure. It started changing its pattern. It went from giving me higher highs to now we're looking like we're making lower lows. That's all I do. So I wait, okay, for price to give me what I need to see. So here's another one where price has, let me do this, has come into what? Exactly the same spot, except the high is there. And you guys, those of you who are here, you see me trade this every day in real life and take these 1 to 2 trades, right? And is this the move that actually happened? Maybe it's the move. I don't know. That's my whole point. Okay, my whole point is that when price gets to these levels, I wait for it to show me what it wants to do. Over here, you can see that when price started breaking lows, it went towards the downside. That's all you're looking for. Price went from giving me higher highs, okay, to giving me now lower lows as well. So this tells me that as price is breaking these levels here, we might actually start reversing. Okay, let's see what happens. By the way, this is NAS. So as you guys are aware, I don't take any trades before 8:30. And I don't take any trades after 11. Let's see what happens if we can get what we're looking for. So NAS gets to this level, shoots down. This is perfect. Now I'm going to wait for the candle close. The candle's closed. So now, literally where we put our stop, that's where I want to get in. Stops right there. Oh, so we marked this up for that reason. We didn't actually take the trade, but look. All right, this one ends up being the one that goes down, I believe. There you go. All right, so the question is, what happened? When price got to this level, it didn't respect this level. You can see it's doing all these weird things, but it didn't care for itself. It was going in and out of that level. When it got here, we started seeing some rejection. This is a clear sign that this zone, price is respecting it, which means if NAS is intending to go down from anywhere here, it's most likely this gap. So at this level, all we're doing is we're patient. We're waiting for our setup. Now, in this case here, none of these setups took place before 8:30. So you see why I don't take trades before 8:30? Look, all the setups that happen before 8:30 that, let's say, is usually my type of cup of tea, none of them hit. They all got taken out. All of them. Okay? None of them hit. So this is why I don't take trades before 8:30. I have 4 years of backtesting with this. This is why I do this, okay? I don't take no trades before 8:30. So when price is now after 8:30, I'm still waiting. Look what happened when it got to around 9 o'clock. Price gives me what I'm looking for. We get a push up, strong push up, but then a push down. Oh my gosh, this is like artwork. It's like clockwork. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Look at that. Guess what I'm looking for? Something within this zone to go down. That's it. That's all. So how I choose the zones, I let price tell me when it's at that zone, what it wants to do. When it does that, I follow it. Now, I don't say, ooh, that candle is weird. You know what I mean? Like, it's strong. Don't get me wrong. You see me say that on GPUSD, but that's because, one, I'm not trading today, and two, it's Tuesday. So I question everything. But for the most part, there's other factors too that I use to take my trades. I just don't show you guys because I want it to be simple. But when the candle's done closing stuff, I don't say, okay, the setup has formed perfectly, met all my criteria, but I feel like because it was so strong, it might go up. My job as a trader, pull the trigger. That's it. I get back in this area. Let me see if I can do a quick example for you guys. Shoot, I wanted to show you guys. Okay, we'll just do this. That's fine. My job is when this time happens, pull the trigger, risk 1 to 2, TP. That's it. Okay, you guys have seen me take trades live. I let the trades do what they do. Today when we took the trade on gold. Okay, when we took the trade on gold. Oh, yo, thing hit TP. Oh, shoot, we about to celebrate you. Real quick, 1 sec. I just got to show this super quickly. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Great job. We're about to celebrate you, brother. There we go. When we took this trade on, it wasn't like this actually. I think it was more like this. When we took this trade on gold, it's off of the same concept. Price was going up and down and pushing down and pushing down. It doesn't matter. Let it play out. You're going to hit TP. Same thing when we took the trade live on gold in real life. Same thing happened. All right, guys. So let price show you what it wants to do. Your job is to analyze, enter, and you are blessed. With that being said, guess what, guys? We are about to celebrate one of our foreign money family members who just hit TP for a 1 to 8. You guys, first off, let me see some W's in the chat.
W's in the chat.
Yeah, brother.
W's in the chat.
W's in the chat. All right, we're about to say congratulations, guys. Spam the fire emoji. Spam W's in the chat. Khalid, congratulations, my brother, on a lovely trade.
Congratulations. I am happy for you. Like play, you have come this far. Nothing can stop you from going higher. Congratulations.
W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Fire emojis in the chat. Celebrate one another. If one is winning, we all winning.
Yeah, I celebrate you.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Clap it up. Clap it up. Clap it up for Khalid. Beautiful trade. And he made us look at it live. Excellent trade, brother. Excellent trade. Congratulations.
Congratulations! Oh my God.
We're extremely happy for you, brother.
We are
extremely happy.
Extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
That's passing a challenge in one move. Excellent trade, brother. Excellent trade. Very good trade. All right, while you guys are spamming the emojis, I'm going to try and see read what you guys were saying while I was going on my tangent there. Some people were saying market direction, point of interest, Nigerian accent, decrease me there. Yeah, we watched that already. Show Nas chart on the 5-minute, sure. Looks even more beautiful, to be quite honest. That setup looks absolutely fire. Marcus Agent said, oh, throwback to those machines. Yeah, gumball machines. If you grew up in our era, you know what the gumball machine is for sure. Mark said, that's crazy. Khaled said, 1 pineapple for me. Yeah, man, hey, you might as well. For everybody who is late to the stream, it's technically past 12 o'clock, but I'm still going to wish y'all a good morning.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Morning, everybody. It's technically afternoon, but one last time because Khaled hit such a fire trade, kind of gets what he wants. You know what I mean? Yona Yield says, so you're saying we should all say our goals for each FX pair, then calculate the average? Let's holy grail that. You know what? Maybe we should try it one day. You never know what results you might get. That would be super interesting. Mark said, I trade with intuition, but you can only do that after years and years of looking at charts. Absolutely. Absolutely. Fact. So when you walk into a trap house and you feel something, why are you in a trap house? Why are you in a trap house, bro?
What did he say?
Bro said, so if you walk into a trap house, Fauci, listen to me. You're a bad. You're bad.
You're a bad boy. You're a bad boy. You're a bad boy.
Fauci is no good. So he said, so when you walk into a trap house and you feel something in your guts telling you that it's the best place to get low. God is telling you it's the best low. Bro, stop. Absolutely stop, bro. Definitely not. Okay? Definitely not. Do you want me to play the advice from our South African brother who told you not to do it? Definitely not. Yeah, I know you're joking, Fauci. We're just razzing you, bro. JD Jakes makes a return. Sure. Thanks for the lesson, brother. My PCC you tomorrow. God bless you always. Hey, God bless you too, Amir Khan. I'm so sorry that I couldn't say bye to you, but yeah, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Marcus gave a lot of trophy emoji and stuff. Fire to you, Marcus. Thank you. How did you train your patience? Because my patience is very thin. That's a good question. How did I train my patience? You know what's interesting, guys? The thing I struggle with the most in my entire life is patience. I struggle heavily with patience. Okay, when I was younger, okay, because your boy's an old man now. When I was younger, I was an athlete. Used to play ball, used to run track. I'm used to fast performing events. I buy fast cars. Everything I do is fast. Except I don't want to go there. I don't want you guys to think nasty. But long story short, I like things that involve performing and being able to execute very efficiently. Speed plus performance plus power. Like that's what I aim for. So it made me very impatient. If I have money, best believe I am not thinking about tomorrow. And what I mean by that is that if I see something right now, I'm buying it. I'm not waiting to think, oh, should I? No, the money is here. We're going to do what we got to do. I was very impatient. When you come to trading, as Marcus is pointing out, without patience, you're going to get washed. You must be patient. So here's how I train patience. It's going to be interesting to answer this because I know I worked on it, but I don't even know how. I guess over time, you know what I mean? Like for me personally, so here's what I do. And everything I do, I set, I set rules. Everything. I set rules for every single thing. Because you know what I found? That if you can't control yourself, put yourself in a prison. That's what you have to do. You have to set boundaries. You have to set boundaries in which you will say, I'm not going outside of these boundaries. Okay? These are my boundaries right here. Okay? You got to set boundaries for yourself. Okay? So what I started doing is that I started saying, okay, if I'm having trouble, let's say, over trading, because over trading used to be a thing for me, especially if I lose, or I'm throwing lots back in there. I don't give a damn what the market is saying. Like, let's say, for example, I'm selling here and price took me out. Guess what I'm doing? I'm hitting sell again. So you start to realize if you continue this behavior, this is why reflection, self-analysis, self-control, all this stuff is really good. If you continue this behavior, you're going to be broke. There is nothing God can give you that you can keep because you have no rules. You have no boundaries. You have nothing that tells you, that enough is enough or continue. And so what I started saying is that here's some of the rules I gave myself, guys. I hope it helps you guys. If it does help you guys, please drop a fire emoji in the chat. After this, we'll kind of call it quits because I'm way past my time. Here are some of the rules that I set for myself. Here's the first one. The first rule was no more than 2 trades a day. First rule. No more than 2 trades a day. I believe this was the first rule I held myself to. We're not talking about risk management yet. We're not talking about anything. We're just talking about just making sure you don't overtrade. First rule I set to myself was do not take more than 2 trades a day, which means what? That means, and then here was the second rule, okay? Maximum loss, this will help me with risk management. Maximum loss of 2% a day. So you know what that tells me? That tells me, okay, now that I know I can't take more than 2 trades a day, that's one. Second thing is like, I have a maximum of 2% a day, which means I can only risk a maximum of 1% per trade. But here's what started to happen as I started to get better with my discipline. I started to realize, well, if I do want to take a trade, I have 2% to play with. So I can do 4 0.5s, I can do 8 0.25s, or I can do 2 1% trades. You see what I'm saying? So if you want to take more than 2 trades, reduce the risk. So after maximum losses of 2%, after no more than 2 things per day, then I said to myself, listen to this, make a trading plan, and guys, I can't type for some reason, and stick to it. Okay, this was the next thing I did. I told myself, if you don't follow your trading plan, you will never be a successful trader. That's what I did. So I made a trading plan and I stuck to it. My first trading plan had about 16 to 20 things that had to be right before I could take the trade. Guess how well that trade plan was doing? Very poorly. I started to realize that the best traders in the world have about 3 to a maximum of maybe 5 criteria that they look for, okay, before they take a trade. So I started to basically, as I was holding myself to certain rules, right, and holding the plan, I started to understand the power of discipline. I started seeing profitability, consistency when I was disciplined. Then, after you're doing all this, you have some trades you run into where you win some, okay, but you lose a lot. You win some, but you lose a lot. Spelled that wrong, guys. Sorry. Okay, and what made me realize this is this. I'm taking every single trade I'm seeing. So I learned if I'm patient and wait for the setups to present themselves, I will do better. So here's what I was doing, guys, before. Before, when I set up this specific zone and say price is coming here, my pending order is already set. I have a pending order placed here because, you know what I mean? I just want to get into the trade. I'm too impatient. I don't want to miss out. I just want to hop in. Price would come in here and eventually it would take me out. Okay? Well, in this case, I won. Very poor example, guys. I'm sorry. But if we were getting in, let's say at this point, it would take me out. Okay? So what I started to realize is that if I'm patient enough to wait till price gets to the zone, I can save myself from bad trades and enter the really good ones. So how I worked on my patience was sticking to my rules and being disciplined. After I practiced that more and more and more, I started to see a change in myself. That change was encouraging. Marcus, you go to the gym. You know this better than anyone. What happens on day one when you go to the gym? You're like, oh man, that was, your body's sore. You're like, this is crazy. People do this every day. And then you work for like a week. You don't really see any results. About a month in, you're like, boy, I think I see some definition. What does that definition you see in yourself, what does it do for your psychology? You start saying, oh boy, I'm going to go even more ham. That definition you see in your body is more encouraging. It makes you feel like put in more work, get better results. And that's what these things do. You don't see the results in the beginning, but as you keep practicing, it starts to take effect on you and you start to see its benefits and you apply it not only to your trading, but other areas of your life. So I became patient, understanding that when I was patient, I saved myself from bad trades and I made more money. You guys remember yesterday, we marked up 5 charts. We were supposed to take 1 only out of 5. Why didn't I take all the other ones? They did not meet my criteria. What is this? Is it USD? Oh, it's tapped me back in. Oh, shoot. All right. This is not what we want. But anyways, I started to realize that when I was exercising this, it was helping me. So yesterday, those trades didn't meet my criteria. There was only one that did. And of the trades that I didn't meet my criteria, they all lost. Even though I marked up the zones perfectly and stuff, they all lost. Why? Because they didn't meet what I wanted. So I was patient. So yesterday I didn't take any trades, but I didn't lose money. That's a good day. You see what I'm saying? And the day before we won a trade, that day, there was only one setup. The only setup that I actually put in the order, you guys saw it live, to take the trade on, the trade didn't hit the entry. Because of spread, it came up close, but took off without me. You see what I'm saying? So this is how I save myself from bad trades. So sorry guys for the long rant. I hope that helps. All right, in terms of discipline. Oh my gosh. Okay, so love and respect for all you guys. Congrats at Cali. We're extremely happy. By the way, how could you spot the NASDAQ entry? It went to touch yesterday's low point and yesterday's candle is green. Then go smaller time frames and sniper the entry very well. How do I spot it? Which was I want NAS. Let me see. Could you spot the NASDAQ entry? Guys, it's just a series of things. Like I told you guys, I think everybody said it in the chat already, but I determine, gosh, so sorry. All these things here. In fact, let me just get rid of this. All right, guys. I determine the direction, right? You can see that we are moving towards the upside. Okay, so we are in a bullish trend. Bullish trend. However, when I go down to the smaller time frames, I could see that we've started to break structure. Okay, we were getting higher highs and higher lows. Now we have a lower high and a lower low. This tells me there's a good chance that price may be going towards the downside. Now, here's the thing. Here's the other thing you need to understand too. Even if price ends up still going up, I'm a scalper. I just need a small piece of that move. That's it. So that's really how I identify I look at the zones. I try and match it up with market direction. In this case, we're not supposed to be looking for sells because it's bullish. But when you go down a little bit more, you can see that price is probably starting to change on the smaller time frame, which means you can get in early. And then I look for those. I look for some gaps, or not order blocks, support and resistance, certain things that line up with my analysis. And then I pull the trigger once price shows me what it's doing. And then they usually tend to work. You see what I'm saying? So I don't know I don't know how else to explain it. Sorry, brother. But if it doesn't make sense, let me know. I'll try and explain it a different way. Cancel that. I was stopped out. Sorry, Phil. But listen, you were up 3% today and you called it an algorithm based on my strategy that's working. You are a whole G. All right. You're a GOAT. So shout out to you. Black Hall said you. Fire Fauci said that's going to be Canada's national anthem. Good morning, Pineapple. Yeah, let's sign a petition. Let's make it a thing, bro. Let's speed run that. That would be fire. Black Hall say shared his analysis. Okay, no problem. Cal said I'm a new trader, guys. Trading for 6 months only. So are you trading live accounts, demos, or like what are you trading? Let me know, Khaled, because that's fire progress. Absolutely fire. Fauci said nah, foreign said it the best. Self-control is what I'm missing too. Absolutely. The dealer would be a terrible trader. Don't understand my boundary. Oh my gosh. Yo, Yona, you're gonna get me in trouble. You're trying to get me banned off stream, bro. You don't mess with the diddler over here, bro. These Diddy jokes getting out of hand. Right, K-Dot? Marcus said that's fire. Thank you so much, Marcus. Not what Yona said, but the rules. That's hilarious. Nas yesterday's called the green candles went to be long and it went down to yesterday's daily low, which is the cheapest price. That's why it's a very good intraday reversal. Very. All right. So Khaled said he's on a live account. Khaled, great job, brother. If you are trading like this, I promise you. Have you taken any challenges yet? Because that is absolutely fantastic. All right. Here's my best advice to you. Okay. You've been trading for 6 months. Market conditions trade. So if we're counting 6 months, okay, from where we are now, we're currently in September. All right. I'm going to put out a marker here. This is my final advice, and then we'll probably let it do what it need to do. We're here. Okay. Here is, let me put it at the start. Let me not go to the weekly. Let's go to the daily. I think that'll be easier. All right, cool. So here we are. All right, so here's the start of September, technically. Here is the start of August. Here is the start of July. Here is the start of, June. Start of May. And then we'll do one more, I think. And then the start of April. So you started, let's say, in April. That's so from April to here, that's 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, 5. So one more. Let's do one more. All right. So let's assume you started in March. Between March and September, we've had really good periods. But you've not met January and his horrible sister February. And you're about to meet their cousins November and December. I'm saying this to you not to tell you that your strategy won't work. I'm telling you we have seasons in the market where sometimes your strategy isn't as effective. Trust me on this. What I want you to keep from this is not to say, oh, well, since you're winning, you're going to lose. No, it's to say, if you end up in a streak where it's not doing well, don't change your strategy. Because if for 6 months you're getting these results, just try and figure out what factors have changed in the market that is causing your strategy not to be as effective. Okay? We get ranging markets where nobody's strategy is great unless you're buying at support and resistance. Okay? So just this is my best advice to you, that if things start to change, don't immediately strategy hop and start reducing and changing your strategy. Stick to it. Stick to it. Okay? And try and figure out what else is causing the difference, the fluctuations in the effectiveness, okay, of your strategy. That's my best advice to you. I only trade NAS 100 and GJ and low gold. Awesome, bro. Good job. No, I will chart prop soon. No problem. Whatever happens, bro, all I'm saying is don't change. Just keep doing what you're doing. Still have an open short in profit on Euro JPY. Stop at break even. If it doesn't hit TP, I'll close just before midnight UK time. Make my analysis on USD JPY. Awali, what's that? Why do I feel like I know, like I've seen you before, Awali? And he's welcome to the chat. Here's the thing, Awali. I'm very, very, very sorry, guys. It is 12:21. I started this live stream at like 9:30. I have so many things to attend to, guys, that I no longer can stay. But I'm gonna be back tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. where I'll be trading this account live in front of everybody. So please join the Discord, like the stream, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at mymoneyforeign. Okay, so that you guys can be notified when I go live. with that being said, I would like to thank all of you guys who were here today for this stream. It was amazing. I love each and every one of you guys. We've got an app coming out. We've got a website we're working on. We've got a special surprise I was going to tell you guys, but you guys dropped the ball, so that's out the way now. But we got a lot of things that we're developing for you guys. A free course, all that stuff is all free on Discord. Okay? Join the Discord. And stay tuned. But like I said, guys, I love each and every one of you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your Tuesday. And as always, I'll be here tomorrow, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, guys. Love you guys. Have a great day. It's fine, bro. I'm from Uganda. Been following you. Yeah, you look familiar. You look familiar. Oh, live trading sick, mate. Yes, I will. All right. So you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. All right. I'm going to drop the stream when the numbers go down. When the numbers go down, I'm going to get out of here. I just want to do this to say bye to everybody. Thank you, guys. Have a great day as well, Phil. Yona, thank you. Marcus, thank you. Fauci, love and safety, thank you. Same to you, brother. Yona says, see you. Thank you. Thank all of you guys. All right. Go out there, have some fun. Go do some great things. I'll see you guys all tomorrow. And for those of you who are on the live today, you're going to be on my Instagram stories later on when we spammed the fire emojis and all that stuff. All right, guys? So look out for that. Follow me on Instagram at mymoneyforeign. Okay? This is my Instagram. I don't have a Telegram right now, but I will open one eventually, all right? Lupe, follow me everywhere, and we will make it happen. All right, bro? Shout out. Love to you from Ghana. I'm in Canada right now. I'm saying. Love you guys all. You guys, get off the stream so I can go. You guys are the best, bro. The fact that you guys are still here is so fire. My money handicap. Bro, really? Oh, I get what you're saying. Bro, we gonna get it up, bro. Don't worry. Follow me on these streams, bro. We gonna make money together. I promise you, all right? I promise you. Our trades usually do well, all right? We will see. No, I'm not trying to put pressure on myself, but follow, bro. We gonna get it up. Big ups, big ups. That's what's up, Lupe. Shout out to all you guys. Enough love. Guys, I'm trying to end the stream here, all right? Trying to end the stream here. So you guys can, exit. I want to see the numbers go down. There's still 25 people in here. Like, you exit one by one and end the stream. All right, guys. Love you guys a lot, man. You guys make it hard for me to go, to be quite honest. So shout out to you guys. It's supposed to be 9:30 every day to 11. 11 is my cutoff time because all my other businesses, like when I come off, my emails start flooding. My text messages start flooding. All the missed calls, everything, right? They start flooding because everybody was trying to get a hold of me in this time. But I do it for you guys. I just love you guys. So, all right, you guys have a good one. He said, cool, bro. No problem. Fauci sniper entry. That's what's up. We're going to make it happen, bro. We're going to convert you from a swing trader, day trader, to a scalper. All right, there's 22 left in here, guys. Come on. Have a great day, guys. Have a great day. Guys, I don't know what to tell you guys to go. You guys want me to curse or something? I don't curse. I don't swear. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'll play you guys out with a horrible song so that you guys will end the stream. Let me see. Let me see if I can find a terrible song in here. Oh, it'd have to be on here. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Downloads. Let me play a terrible song for you guys. And then maybe you guys will let me go. Maybe then you guys will let me go. Let me see if I can find the music. Where is it at? Start playing some weird music for you guys.
From Tokyo to Wall Street, numbers never sleep. Bitches stacking tall while the haters counting sheep. Crabs saying candlesticks, profits we gon' reap. Foreign money here, sowing seeds getting deep. Currency exchange or the game's a chessboard.
You guys, if you guys don't leave after this, I don't know what else to do.
Indices rise and portfolio adored. You crack the code while you snore bored. Foreign money, cashing in, climb the heights.
There's still 22 people in here. What are you guys doing?
Trade, grind, succeed, vibes be bright. Living the dream, turn struggle into flight.
Thank you. 18. We're almost there. 18. 22. We went from 30 to 28 to 22. Now we're at 18. Later, Mr. R. Have a good one, brother. Have a good one. 18. Come on, guys. Song is I got worse songs. Watch. No, that's actually not bad. Let me see. No. Maybe this one. We'll see. Maybe this one might get you guys off. Dean said song not bad though. Okay, I mean, I thought it was. Mozart said it was awful.
Foreign money stacking, indices attacking.
This is
Forex
not
flipping
great.
rhythms, daily bread,
Okay?
no slacking.
This is not great.
Charts keep tracking, profits in the making, success on the mind, ain't no time for faking. Foreign money wave, we ride into the moon. Dollar signs be shining, we counting up the spoons. Trade like a typhoon.
Oh,
through
Fachi
the
loves
storm
drill.
and gloom.
Okay,
Forex
17.
on our
We're getting there, guys.
brain,
Come on.
fortune booming.
Come on.
Pips in my vision, no room for
Please, I wanna go, bro.
division. Candlelit decisions, wealth on a mission. 24/7 grind, gotta stay efficient. Trade like a G.
the best drill route.
Every
Oh
move
my
precision.
gosh.
Copy trades heavy, wealth accumulation steady. Indices trending right, keep my focus ready. Charts flash in my mind, hustle never petty. Foreign money anthem, success gon' get me. Bulls and bears clashing, profits always cashing. Forex life fashion, never caught slacking. Euro yen pound, every pair passion. Living out
Arson
dreams,
better than
represent
Eminem.
the action. Foreign money wave, we ride into the moon. Dollar signs be shining,
That's
we counting
hilarious.
up the spoons. Trade like a typhoon, through the storm and gloom. Forex on our brain, fortune always booming.
Bro, I don't know what else to do to get you guys to go. Alright, let me see if I can find another one. Let's see. That sucks. No, not that one. No. This is just trash.
Watching numbers on the screen.
I'm playing all the bad songs. If you guys are still here, I don't know what's wrong with you. I don't know.
Happiness and sorrow blend. Will it break or will it mend? Tick-tock by
Or to my smooth brain.
living in this market spell. Rather than I read into.
I've never seen this before, guys.
Got me
There's still
feeling
17
blue.
people in here.
Charts and graphs, they haunt my mind.
Look for
Every
trading music.
game
I generate
a
them.
loss to find.
I generate them. Okay, 14. Good. Good. 14. Guys, we're almost there. Let's get down to about like 5, 7 even. And I'm out of here. So this is working. I'm gonna keep it on. Yeah, dude! Professor, they're actually nice. Oh, really? Oh my gosh. So Mozart's a hater then. Yo, I'm gonna message Mozart, be like, Mozart, you're a hater. Alright, let me see if I can find a worse song. Let's see. Nah, this one's not bad. Nah. Nope. No.
Stacks on my mind, flipping coins, no magic. Charts got me wild as the numbers getting savage. Bullish on the rise, bear market, no panic. Portfolio lit, making moves so dynamic. Day trading dreams, Wall Street scheming. Options got me plugged, crypto's beaming. Futures on the line, hedge funds scheming. Big biz dropping, no room for
Bro, the number went up.
My take, I'm hooked on the hustle. Green candles
It's
spraying,
supposed to go
wrist
down.
much
I need
muscle.
you guys to leave.
Bears, this life
Alright, so
is
maybe you like this
hustle.
song. Let me
The
switch.
trading game.
No. No, not that one. Let me see. Let me see if I can find better songs. Okay, I'm trying to find better songs here, guys. Okay, let's see. Nope. I mean, worse songs. Oh, this is as bad as it gets, I think. This is as bad. Fam, when I first started, I was getting nightmares from trading junior while charting. Charts will do that to you, brother. Yeah, if you guys stay for this song, I give up. I promise you I give up. This song. Yeah, bro. It gets scary. Alright, we're down to 14, guys. Let's get down to like 5, 7 so I can end the stream, please. Thank you. If you like this, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say.
One day I'm gonna make it. Trading dreams, step by step. No more feeling sinking. This is my moment, no regrets.
Heavy metal trading music, literally. This is hard for me to listen to. I don't know what you guys are on.
No distraction, no division. Every stumble, every fall makes me stronger, makes me fall. In my heart, I know it's true. Keep on pushing, breaking through. Every night and every day. This is real, it's here to stay. One day I'm gonna make it. Trading dreams, step by step.
Bro, oh my god.
No more taking
Yes.
Woke up in the morning light, cities buzzing, cars in sight. Got my hustle feeling right, trading in the hood, alright. Corners busy, money flow. In the hustle, people grow. Markets moving fast and slow.
You guys got a goal so I can end the stream. There's 14 people still in here. Oh
Every
my
face
god.
knows your name. We ain't looking for fame. Just trading in the hood.
Oh, this trade?
all
Maybe.
day.
This is outside of my
Building
trading
dreams,
zone, so
all
I don't know,
collide.
right?
People working side by side, hoping hustle
I don't
never
trade this
hide.
late, but
Trading
who
in
knows?
the hood with pride.
We were
Sun
supposed
goes
to enter
down,
the same trade
streetlights
over
on,
here
still the
earlier.
grind, it
This
carries
was supposed to be
on.
our
Trade
thing.
until the break of dawn.
Oh, so we would
Good
still be in the
place
trade,
we all
actually.
belong. City's hot, pumping slow.
That's interesting.
Trading's all we ever know. Making moves.
All right, Mr. R, take care, brother. Take care, take care. Thank you. Thank you.
Every face knows your name.
End the stream if you need to. Yeah, I think I got to, bro. It's 12:33. 12:33. Guys, I'm gonna have to call this one still. I'm literally trying to end the stream. You guys are not going. Shows you guys have a lot of love for me. You know what? Before I go, everybody who's in the stream, type your name. If I do another giveaway, I'm gonna enter you guys first as priority. Type your name right now if you're still here. All you guys, all 14 of you who are still here showing love, type up your name. Type up your name. Type your name. Everybody who's still here, type your name so I can enter you guys. Hopefully you guys hear this before the stream ends. But type up your name. Type up your name. Type your name in the chat, guys. Type your name in the chat. Okay, good. Fauci, K. Dot. Perfect. Type your name in the chat, guys. Everybody who's still, all 14 of you who are still here, type your name. When I do the next giveaway, I'm going to copy this. Type your name. All 14 of you guys. Type your name before I end the stream. Marisa, perfect. Thank you, Marissa. Professor. Fauci, I already got you, Fauci. Don't interrupt the flow. I got you already. Dean, perfect. The next giveaway. Oh, 2 people left. I think they left too early. Sucks. So, type your name before you go. Type your name. I'm about to end the stream. Type your name. So when I do the next giveaway, I'm going to put you guys as priority for the giveaway. Type your name. Type your name before I end the stream. We have so far 1. So we have Fauci, Kenan, Marissa, Professor Andy. We have 5 people. There should be 7 people, more people typing their names. Guys, type your name. I'm going to give this like another minute, then I'm going to end the stream. When it hits 12:35, that's it. I'm gone. I got to go. I cannot stay any longer. Cannot stay any longer. So. Okay, good. Dandozaki. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, that means we got 6 more people to type their name. 6 more people. Type your name, guys. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Type your name. Last time I gave away 11 accounts. Don't you want a free account? A free prop from challenge, guys. A free prop from challenge. And I'm working on a surprise for you guys. So type your name. Somebody left. So that means 5 more people type your name. You guys, it's 12:35. That's it. So I'm going to take a screenshot of the people who put their name in here. And that's that. The pool. Oops. Wrong one. The pool is officially closed. All right, guys. I'm going to copy this here. And that's that. All right, guys. Have a blessed day. Love each and every one of you guys. Yeah, 11 accounts. You guys have a blessed day. I'll be here tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. All right. We're going to take the challenge, taking live trades on this account here tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Be here or be square. Remember when we used to say that back in the day? We thought we were cool. All right, guys. You guys have a great one. Oh, okay. Victor, Oscar. Oh, my gosh. You guys are late, but I'll still include you guys. Shout out to you guys for being here. All right. So let's get it from here going. Okay. Boom. So that is about 8 or 9. Thank you, W Stream. W people. All my foreign money family members, you guys are awesome. If you're new, join the Discord, okay? Follow me on Instagram at mymoneyforeign, guys. The next giveaway I do, I gave away 11 accounts last time. I'm going to give away a good amount of accounts next time as well. All right, guys, I'll be here tomorrow at 9:30. And we're going to trade this account live. I keep saying this account live. We're doing a 30-day Forex challenge, all right? Love each and every one of you guys. You guys make my day. The reason why I sacrifice time for my other businesses is because I genuinely love you guys, all right, guys? Soak up all the free knowledge. I'm going to be doing a breakdown on today's trades and the one from yesterday, so look forward to that on YouTube today as well. For everybody who was in the chat spamming the stream, you will be on my Instagram later on this evening, all right? Follow me on Instagram so you can see. Love you guys, man. I got to go, all right? You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Take care, everybody. Have a good one.